Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Martyn Lucas Investor Show, where we trade and invest every day, finding great companies that make money, that are innovative, that are pioneering, that are going to change the world and be bigger than they are today in the future. We're also going to scalp if we need to, or day trade if we need to, but ultimately we are here buying great companies. We're not affected by the markets. We are calm, we're relaxed, we're here to support people. We have a family of the highest engagement rate on YouTube. More of our live viewers are members than any other channel. In fact, 95% of our live viewers are actually members. Let's get straight into it. Big day today, of course. If it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. Here we go, and it's a big day. We've got Jerome Powell speaking live on the show. Yep, he's my star guest. He'll be here later on. There we go. Subscribe, ring the bell. You ring the bell is very, very important. Otherwise, you won't be notified. No point just subscribing. You need to ring the bell to be notified. Thumbs up the video, and of course, as always, smash the like button. There's Mr. Mini-Me. All right, there we go. We're touching $41,000 now. Very, very close to 41,000. Where I want to get to is 50,000. That's when I will start feeling that my stocks are comfortable. We're not quite there yet. We're getting close, and we could get there in minutes. Let me just make a slight adjustment on TikTok for you. There we go. That's a little bit better, right? Just make it absolutely perfect. There you go. Great stuff. Let's have a look at our positions. You can see my overall position just down very, very slightly at the moment, but things are moving up overnight. We've had some great moves. Here is the charts. Let's have a quick look at where we are. So let's see how many people we've got watching the show right now who've just tuned in. Welcome, everybody. Okay, we've got about, we could do with a few more likes, but we'll come on to that in a minute. Everybody on TikTok, good morning to you. Cash giveaway, prize giveaway coming up on Friday. If you want to be in that, you need to be on YouTube. Links in the profile. YouTube is the same name as my TikTok channel. YouTube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. That's where I am right now. Name of this channel, links in the profile if you come out of the live stream. Okay, let's go through all our stocks right now. We're looking for some bargains again. Jerome Powell today is going to crash the market for 5 minutes, maybe. What do you think? S&P, no bargain there for me. Virgin Galactic, nice. I've been buying the dips. I've now got 2,100. Looking very nice indeed. And we're just 2% down. Nothing to buy there. Virgin Orbit, no. Nothing to buy there either. Tesla, no. I'm only down 2%. It's a big enough part of my portfolio right now. Rivian, up 26%. I'm not selling it. I'm not buying it. It would be ridiculous to buy it anymore at that position. I don't need to. Once that matures in 2 years, that'll quadruple. Absolutely sure of that. Lucid. Okay, Lucid. I'm not touching any more Lucid. It's a bit of a lottery ticket, to be honest. It's a great car, but they're struggling to ramp up. Arrival is my other lottery ticket. Very small amount, just 161, because at the end of the day, this company could go bankrupt. But, however, if it does suddenly surprise us all and do something miraculous, then it could be a $20 stock. So what the heck? I've got enough. Amazon, I'm down 12%. I'd like to buy more. One of the greatest companies in the world right now, though, it is down considerably, but it's still very expensive. And right now, they're going through an investment stage of reinventing the company. So we will come back, but I've been buying it, and my last position was 89. I keep buying it lower and lower and lower. 89. So I'm not going to buy any more at 96. Otherwise, why didn't I buy more at 89? Makes no sense, right? So if it goes to 89, so nothing there to buy right now. Same thing as Apple. It's down today. I'm down 2%. It should be one of the biggest parts of my portfolio, and it is. But however, it's not the lowest price for me. I bought it lower than that. As you can see, I had some around here, 138. So we're on a bit of a roll at the moment, over 3 months, over a year. I mean, it's not 230. I mean, it's never going back down here, but not quite there ready for me to buy any more. It's enough. It's all I need is 4% of my portfolio. That's fine. Robinhood earnings tonight. We are reporting it live. Robinhood earnings tonight. We are doing it live, and the FOMC report today. That'll be live as well. McDonald's at 12%. I've got plenty. Don't need to buy any more. Coca-Cola, same thing. I'm up nearly 1%. Got plenty of there as well. Johnson & Johnson. I think you need this in your portfolio right now. Very, very important stock to own. One of the safe bets. It always has been, always will be. Bill is over there on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. One of my subscribers. If you subscribe to me over there on TikTok, click the little star here. Subscribe to me, just like Bill is. You get the Luca badge. You also get replies to all your questions. You also get exclusive content. And also, the biggest part probably that I do for people, if you subscribe to me, I put your channel on this screen here and make you a video, post it to my portfolio, and invite my 26,000 followers to follow you on TikTok. It gets you more followers. It's a great way to promote your channel. So if you want to subscribe to me, you get all those perks and benefits. I'm here to help people. Also, you can be in my free prize draw. It costs absolutely nothing. Free to enter this Friday, every Friday on youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as this channel. The link's in the profile if you'd rather click a profile link, or just type in youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Every Friday we do cash giveaways. It's free for everyone. Let's bring some comments on the screen here from YouTube. Peter Maycock was first in the live stream. How are you, Peter Maycock? Lovely to have you here. Mike, also on Twitch. He's earning money on Twitch for me as well. He'll be in the draw on Friday. I believe you're one of my subscribers, Mike. Have you still got your subscription running there, Mike? Stock market plan. Hello, good sir. Man, what is going on with Meta? Yikes. Are you kidding me? Meta's a great opportunity. I'm loving what's happening with Meta. I'm not part of the ranting and raving and having a go at Mark Zuckerberg and getting personal. Not at all. Not interested. Love the business. That's what I invest in, the business, not the price. The price is a gift right now. Google, we'll come on to Meta in a minute. So Google right now, let's have a little look at it. It's up today, 0.45. I don't need to buy any more. Got plenty there. It's not low enough to buy any more. Microsoft also up today. Meta. Now, my last acquisition, if you like, was 93. My lowest price, 93. I'll buy it at 92. I've been buying it every time it goes down $1, I buy another one. So even though I'm down 19%, I should be down about 80% because I was a bag holder. I had this before it crashed. In fact, I bought it after it crashed, 75%, but then it went down another 20. So for me, it's just accumulating more at this price because the moment they say the Meta is either not working or we're not spending any more money on it, or we're spending less money on it, up goes the stock to $200. Simple. Stang says, I want to be rich. Well, I started on my portfolio a year and a half ago with $5,000. You can see it on the screen now. I'm now at $40,980. Live on the show, in front of you. There it is. That's my real money, my real trades. I only earn money here on YouTube and TikTok. This is it. This is what I do. And I'm live 10 hours a day. And that's my real money from $5,000 is now up to $40,977. You can see it live on the screen. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. I'm just a regular guy, real, honest. I don't pump, promote, hype, anything. I tell you as it is, and all I'm doing is buying great companies, and I'm buying once I added all my money that I did, I'm now just simply buying them at lower prices and never paying a penny more. The price comes to me. The Wall Street doesn't dictate to me. I decide what I want to pay. I stick to it. I don't pay a penny more, and that's the result. There we go. 41,000 now. 41,000 live on the screen. There you go. Let's get back to our positions and carry on going through where we are. IonQ, SoFi, Meta, so still no deal there. SoFi had a great day yesterday, popped up. It's still losing money, but its quarter is better month over month. Quarter over quarter over quarter. SoFi, great business. I bought it at 606, 610, 626. It's at 572. I mean, I should buy some more, but I don't need to. It's not something I want to, because it's a new company. This stock can be easily, if we look at it, this stock, once it starts making money, which it will very soon, especially with interest rates going up, it could be it could be $10 a share, I would imagine. And I'm at 5 now. We're at 5, so we could double where we are now. So $1.5 turns into 3. That's fine. I don't need to buy any more, but I will be watching it if it goes down again. IonQ, that's my position there. PayPal is slightly up. I'm out of PayPal right now. I'm also out of Rolls-Royce right now. Walmart, I'm up 16%. I bought it on the dip. Huge dip we had, and I bought it then. Target, the same thing. Tesco's up once for all. This is great. This is one that went down like 30-40%. Look at it. And I bought it. It went, and then it kept on going lower. Does not belong down here. Does not belong down here. It's the biggest supermarket in the UK. It's like Walmart, and it literally went to, look at it. Went to $6.62. Crazy, right? Even though I'm down 8%, look, I belong up here. I belong at least $9 a share. So, my average is 8.26. I'm going to make money at the bottom. I could buy more right now, but I don't want to. It's a big enough part of my portfolio. Remember, it's all about how to keep your money. It's not how to make money. Making money is easy. Keeping it is the hard part. On is a bit beat up at the moment. If we have a look at it over the year, it's going flat, not doing a great deal. Over the last 5 years, it's okay, but not so much right now. Tilray, that's going to be a $40 stock. I'm just holding it. I'm up 10%. We had a bit of a scalping going on yesterday. I didn't sell it, or didn't seem any point. I'm looking for the $40 a share. Enphase, Bitcoin, SV. There you go. A bit of a roundup on today's stocks where we are right now. So let's get ready for Papa Powell today. Jerome Powell speaking. He'll be live on our show. We'll be covering it live for you. So hopefully you'll all join me for that. If you want to get my the mug that I'm using, the glass that I'm using today, there it is. It's in the live chat right now. This is the Martyn Lucas Investor beer glass, or any type of glass you want, pint glass. Shipped to anywhere in the world. It's in the chat for you now. Okay. Man, what is going on with Meta? Nothing at all. Just silly people selling out because they don't like what Mark Zuckerberg's doing. The amount of hate for Mark Zuckerberg is so ridiculous. People saying he's an idiot. He invented Facebook. Made one of the biggest businesses in the world, but apparently he's an idiot. Beyond me. Beyond comprehension. So I love it. The company isn't going anywhere. It's a cash cow. Makes money. So anyway, what was I going to say? There's something I was going to say then. I completely forgot. Never mind. I didn't mean to do an ad there. Did someone get an ad? I just ran an ad accidentally. I ran an ad. I was supposed to do my little stinger. But anyway, never mind. Some of you saw it, some of you didn't. Fantastic. Okay. How many have come through the stream so far? 21. Now, for those of you watching on Friday, we have a cash giveaway. For anyone who subscribes to me on Twitch, it's absolutely free to subscribe using Amazon Prime. That's free. Many of you have let your subscriptions lapse during my holiday, so make sure that you've it lapses by itself, so go and check you're still a subscriber on Twitch. We only have 7, so 1 in 7 chance of winning on Friday, the cash giveaway. Every Friday I do it. I give away money. It's free to enter, free for all. Okay. And in fact, everyone here, again, 100% of my live viewers today are members. We have 100%, 95% engagement rate between live viewers and members, and everyone's a member in the stream right now. So there's no point me inviting you to be a member, is there? Right, we are watching. We've got 45 minutes left to go before the bell goes. It is Jerome Powell today. We are expecting a 0.75. In fact, we'll do a poll right now. In fact, I tell you what, we did a poll yesterday. Most people said 0.75. It is pretty unanimous. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We will do green. We'll do green or red day today. I think we'll do that. We'll do that. I want to see how you think the markets are going to react. So we'll go green or red. There you go. You can take part in the poll in the live chat. That's on YouTube right now. All my guests over there on TikTok. What's your Twitch? What's my Twitch? It is Martyn Lucas Investor. Exactly the same as it is here on TikTok. YouTube's the same. Martyn Lucas Investor. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. And if you come out of the main live show, click the profile link here, you'll see my YouTube link, and you can come right across there. What's your thoughts on Netflix? Will it fill in the gap? I'm not a fan of Netflix. I'm a user of Netflix. I am subscribed to it. I have it. The moment it becomes free, though, for ads, I will go for that option, save myself like $10 a month. But at the end of the day, it doesn't do anything proprietary to me. Anyone could be a Netflix. Amazon could be a Netflix. Disney can be a Netflix. There's 1,000 people who can replace Netflix. It's sold off, yes. But would I buy it? No. It's not for me. It's not for me. It doesn't do anything unique and special. It can be replaced. People could unsubscribe in 5 seconds. I wouldn't buy Netflix. It doesn't belong on my portfolio. It makes no sense to me. Brings instability to me, and I don't like that. I don't like instability. I like making money. I don't like risking anything. Well, in fact, I don't take risks. People say I do take risks. I invest in Virgin Galactic. People say I take risks. I'm investing in Meta. I don't see them as risks at all. Thanks for all the follows, by the way. We're over here on youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. I will tell you right now, very quickly, as we are waiting for the bell to go, we've got just over 40 minutes to go. We go live every day, 10 hours a day. I'm here to help people, and the idea is to grow the best YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok channels in the world. That's my aim. We've only been doing this a year. We've got 26,000 followers on TikTok. We're up to 5,000 subscribers on YouTube and growing by about 30, 40 a day, and it's speeding up. And every day we stream live, we trade live, we invest live, we share everything with you. This is my real trades, my real money, my real positions. And we're here to help people, right? I have cash giveaways all the time. I promote people's channels, my members on YouTube. I promote their YouTube channels. We share what's going on with truth in the stocks. I've got nothing to benefit from it, nothing to sell. I'm not sponsored by anyone to advertise anything. I'm here to help people. And every Friday we do a cash giveaway. Every Friday I give away the money I make in the video, and I also do prizes as well. And we do that every single Friday. That's on YouTube. So if you want to be part of that, it's youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. The link's in the profile. Same name as this channel here on TikTok. All right. What's your prediction on Twitter after Musk? What do you mean? You can't buy stocks in it anyway. It's a private company. There's no prediction for Twitter. You can't buy it. It's publicly owned. Sorry, it's privately owned. What I am interested in is Elon Musk says for $12 a month, or is it $7 a month? I'm not sure now. You can buy the blue tick. It proves you're genuine, apparently. I'm undecided whether that's a good idea or not. Anyone can buy a blue tick now. So anyone. I could buy a blue tick. The idea is you're supposed to be a credible, well-known celebrity, entity, something like that. Not a scammer, not a repeat, not just a regular user. Someone who's got some presence online, essentially, and now anyone can buy it. I don't know. I don't know what you think about that. Is it a good idea? I don't know. Anyway, that's one of the things he's come up with. $8 a month, yeah. Anyway, let's get it back to looking at the stocks. We've got just 40 minutes to go. And do you know what we need to do now? Let's see how many have we got watching right now. Let's see if we can get some. Yes. Oh, look at that. Incredible. We've got 100% like to viewer rate. Absolutely brilliant. I don't even need to ask. I don't even need to do my chiggy 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 pow pow song. I have my own song, right? Just to get likes. Anyway, Jerome Powell live on the show today. If you want to be part of that, if you want to ask a question to my investors and traders when Jerome Powell speaks, that's live on YouTube today. Join me for that. Welcome, welcome, Dexter Sickles. How are you today? Lovely to have you here. Dexter Sickles is here. Let's bring everybody on. If you've come over from TikTok, say you've come over from TikTok in the chat. Brick Mark is here. There's Brick Mark. We've also got Dexter Sickles as well, who's popped on in. Welcome, welcome. Mr. Cossack. Mr. Cossack. Are you sad today? Why are you sad? What's it all about? What's your all-time portfolio? Crazy Blades, 88. Oh, my all-time position, down. It was down 50%. I started right at the top of the market. Hang on a minute. You want to see what my all-time position is? It was down 50%. We've now improved that a little bit. We are down now 42%. So we've been buying the dips all the way down, getting better. I'm not bothered that I'm down that much. Not concerned at all. Not concerned at all. Remember, this all started from $5 anyway, so it's kind of irrelevant. Crazy Blades 88. You must be on Twitch. If you subscribe to me on Twitch for free using Amazon Prime, every Friday, this Friday, I give away the money I make in subscriptions back to you for free, just by watching the show for free. So if you're over there on Twitch right now, you should subscribe to me using Amazon Prime. Just turn Amazon Gaming on, and you can do it for free. You have to renew it every month. Every month you want to be in the draw. I do it every first Friday of the month. So there you go. I meant markets, but also portfolio. He meant markets. Okay, we got a guest in the show today. No, beg your pardon. It's not a guest. It's a member. Mr. Cossack is a member. Thank you very much indeed. He's a brand new member. How long have you been a member, Mr. Cossack? You've got a blue badge. You will then turn green. You will then turn yellow. And you will then turn gold. And then finally turn red. So I can tell you're quite new. It's okay. I'm down $6,000 in an 18. So 35 all time, by the way. I'm Nate Miller. Nate. Nate, you need to renew your Twitch subscription because it's run out. You need to renew your Twitch subscription because it's run out. Everybody let it lapse while I was away. Couple of months or so, maybe. Oh, great. Well, Mr. Cossack, you've got many perks and benefits. The membership is there to benefit you. So please take advantage of it. As a YouTuber, you could be on the homepage of my home. I can do Twitch too. Fantastic. Let me give you the Twitch account. You might as well. Every month it's free, and every Friday, first Friday of the month, I give away the money. Now, what we want you to do is the home of our channel is on YouTube. The people that watch me on Twitch open a second tab. The place to be is YouTube. We are on Twitch because Twitch has more live streamers, and we use it to promote YouTube. That's the point. So over on Twitch, you can let it run, but please let it run as a separate tab. Be here on YouTube. Don't give up YouTube. This is the home. There you go. Mike's saying get on the Twitch channel. He's over there. We got 7 subscribers now. We started with 4 yesterday because I lost everybody when I was on holiday. Right. 35 minutes to go. We got a big giveaway on Friday. As everybody entered the competition, We're giving away any item at all you want from my merch shop. You can choose the most expensive item, whatever you want from the merch shop on Friday. And all you got to do is watch that playlist video. That's all you got to do. Twitch making me install an app. Mr. Cossack, he's doing it, look. He's doing it. There you go. And what hour will well, here we go. I will show you. Here is when I'll be live with the FOMC Live. There's Jerome Powell. There he is. In your time zone, it says to me 12:30 Central Time, 1:30 Eastern Time. It will say in your time zone, if you look at it on the homepage of the YouTube channel, it comes right after this show here. It comes up right after this show here. We'll end this show, take a very short break, and be back. And after that show, we'll do the closing bell. And then after hours tonight, we've got Robinhood earnings. Robinhood earnings. And then we've got Virgin Galactic tomorrow. Oh my gosh, we are very, very busy here on the show right now. A positive change is coming. Absolutely. It's why I've been buying the dips forever. It's why I've been buying the dips forever. Great companies, great discounted prices. And I have a very specific strategy. Very specific strategy. Once I always go all in. I've got no money in cash. It's all here, all the time. Once I buy a stock, I go as much as I can. That is in balance to my portfolio. I then will not buy that stock again unless I can buy it for less. That's it. Because I'm all in. This portfolio could be $100,000 easy. Easy by the end of the year. Easy. And that is really all I need to then start moving into dividend stocks. That's all I need because I have no mortgage, no car loan, no credit cards. This is all I need for my pension. I know what my objectives are. I stick to it. So I don't care if the stock goes up. Green days, nothing happens. Green days, we just watch it go up. And I start trimming off the top for certain stocks. But mainly, the action is done on the red days. And that's why I've been so busy for the last 8 to 10 months every day. Oh, we got a new follower on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. New follower on Twitch. There you go. If you now subscribe to me using Amazon Prime Gaming, it's free. You'll be in our draw on Friday. And you're helping grow the platform and you're helping grow the family. We want to be the best YouTube, Twitch, TikTok channels in the world. Not the biggest, the best. The most honest, most real, live 10 hours a day. Always here for the members. That's what it's all about. Right, Amazon's turning up. Apple's turning up. No opportunities to buy anything. Not for me. Not with my disciplined way of buying. I mean, you can buy anything you want, but I'm already in. I've already got $4,000 worth of Google. I don't need any more. All right? I used to have like 1 share of Google. Now I have $4,000. Sell all. King Tola. Why on earth would I sell at 43% down? Why on earth would I sell now? Absolutely crazy. Meta is a gift. And you never have any transaction fees with Robinhood. No, love it. This is my Robinhood account. Absolutely love Robinhood. If they wanted to sponsor my show, or they wanted to, King Tola just subscribed to me. We've now got 8 subscribers on Twitch. Use Amazon Prime Gaming. It's free. You need to make sure you renew it every month, though. Otherwise, Otherwise, it will lapse and you'll be out of next month's competition. Anyway, Robinhood, I'm up 21%. I only have 22 shares. Make Martyn some money on Twitch. Well, the money goes to you, Mike. The money goes to you. The idea is I want to grow. I want to get 1 million people following me so I can give away $1 million. And one day we will. That's what I want. It would be the biggest pleasure in the world to me. So if everyone subscribes to me and everyone follows me and everyone's a member, one day I can give $1 million away. Be brilliant, wouldn't it? So anyway, simple really. All work together. Every Friday, cash giveaway. Why would you not? I know, but you know. Anyway, it's all good. J&J is up. Google's up. Now then. So, 67% say green. Well, if we go green today, we could go very green. My portfolio is now touching 41,000. This portfolio could do $100,000 by the end of this year, because I've been buying beat up stock after beat up stock, quality stocks, not rubbish, solid, but nevertheless beat up stocks. They're going to go up. When the war ends, we've got a 20%, 30% pump in literally minutes. When inflation comes down, we've got a 15% pump in minutes. When the Fed reverse, do their first 0.5 or 0.25 or none at all, any of those moves, we've got another 15%. So that takes me to 100 grand. All my job is to do now is be responsible, hold, never sell until I need to trim off the top. That's all I'm doing. Green Day. Daniel says Green Day indeed. Green Day. I believe that as well. There we go. Mike, you can take care of our... There we go, Mike. Mike has a job in moderating today. He's been looking forward to that. What was it? Private date chat, girls. What's that got to do with anything? Hey, Mike, maybe you shouldn't delete it. Maybe there's somebody in the chat who thinks, I quite like that. I wouldn't recommend it if I was you. It's just a bot and a scam. It ain't real. If you think some lovely lady's asking you out on a date, she ain't. It's probably some little bloke middle of nowhere sitting there on his computer trying to steal all your money. How many of you think it's a nice woman who wants to ask you out on a date? I used to, when I was about 18 years of age, when I was new to it all. I thought, oh, look at this. I'm being asked out on a date here. This is lovely. Until I clicked on it and nothing ever happened. Now I'm older and wiser, and I go, okay, it ain't that. Right, it ain't that. It ain't that. Right, okay, here we go. Time for a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Now, by the way, if you would like to sponsor my channel, one of the memberships is sponsor level. And it's 99 bucks a month, I think it is. You can always downgrade or cancel at any point. But if you are a sponsor of my channel, not only do you get all the perks and benefits of bronze, silver, and gold, up to 2-hour Zoom calls a month, helping with your YouTube channel or your online or anything at all for that matter. 2 hours a month, one-on-one Zoom calls. Not only do you get that, but also I can run in the commercial breaks a little commercial for you. Like a 15-second commercial throughout the show. And when I do the commercial, it gets seen by many, many thousands of people a day. 10 hours a day, over and over again. Because I'm not just live on YouTube. We're live on Facebook, multiple Facebooks, websites, Twitch, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. So if you want to be if you have a business or you want to promote your YouTube channel and you want to be a sponsor, you can always do it for a month, try it out. It works. We've got several sponsors that they don't want ads running. They just go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I've got a global brand, Melinda's Sauce. It's a global brand. So if you want to sponsor me, you can. All right. Just click on the membership or upgrade your membership for a month or so or whatever. All right. Here's the invitation. Join. We got just half an hour to go now. Jerome Powell won't speak until later on this afternoon, early afternoon, or midday in fact. We've got a bit of time. Let's have a little look. Mike says, finally I've been able to slay some bots. He'll get recognised for that later in the credits. At least I hope so. Good morning, people. I hope Powell takes an easy today on me. We all hope that, church. We do. Martin, put it on so we subscribe to his channel. Martin, put it on so we subscribe to his channel. What channel's that? Brick Mark, what channel you took? Put it on so we subscribe to his channel. Which one's that? Which one are you talking about? Not a good start, says Church. Hang on. Not a good start to my morning at all in terms of life. Right, Church, what's it all about? Do you want to call? Let me open up the Discord lounge. Members can call in. Let me open it up. Broadcast lounge is open. We'll make time for that. Okay, the broadcast lounge is open on Discord. You can call in if you are a member. If you're over there on TikTok and you want to call into the live show, you can. There we go. There's the broadcast lounge. Open up now, look, for Churchy. If you want to call in, what's up, my friend? Or tell me in the chat, what's up? It was good times. I don't know how he even met people in chats. And it was good time. I don't know how we ever even met people in chats. Not quite sure what you mean there, Mr. Cossack. I met my wife in Yahoo chat 26 years ago and with her saying she liked my Yahoo ID. I like that. That's good. That's good. Oh, what about the ladies? Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Yes, I'll bring up the ladies' website. We can all subscribe to it. Yeah. I get it now. Good morning, Martyn, the investor extraordinaire. I love it. Oh, that's great. Hope you're okay, Church. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Ed Nevius, how are you? We used to talk in chat and met folks near us. Yes, we used to talk in chat and met folks near us. Yeah, we did. We used to actually, get together down the pub. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I still do that. We just had our day trader party in England and people came. And next year, we're doing it again in New Mexico, Virgin Galactic, or New York Stock Exchange, New York, or Austin, Texas for Tesla. And we're going to meet up again. And we're going to have a party. And we're going to have a drink in the pub. And we're going to chat. So we're going to do all those things. It's what we do. All right, thoughts on FedEx? No thoughts whatsoever. I don't invest in FedEx. Been there, tried that, no luck. Daniel says, we've all been there at once. I did it when I was about 18, but I learned. And especially now, as I have a wife, and my wife can actually hear me, by the way, there's no chatting on chat lines for me. All right, so I want to just put that on the record so my wife can play that back and go, see, right, you said no chat lines for you. I can go on my wife's chat line. If my wife sets up a chat line, it's just for me. It's called the phone. It's called texting from one room to the other. I'm still training this morning, but I will update you guys soon. Okay, mate. Keep us updated. Call into the show. Message me privately. Message me publicly. Whatever way you want, Church. I'm here for you, mate. I'm here 10 hours a day for all of my friends. That's it. Right, we've got 22 minutes to go. Where are we going? Virgin Galactic? Virgin Orbit? Let's have a quick look where we're going this morning. At the moment, let's have a quick stand up, stretch the legs. This is the new regime. Look, if I go over here, look. See, I can now stand up over here. You see, I can stand up over here and I can still do the stocks. Look at that. Leah's thinking, I like this. I'm concerned about your back. So if I want to, I can come over here, walk around, and this way I protect my back at the same time. Do you like that? It's a new look, right? It's a new look. I take it all the backs. Yeah, I mean, I had a little bit of a spasm this morning when I woke up, but it's something I have to live with. But at the moment, it's fine. All of a sudden, but I guess, you get old, you break. It's life, isn't it? We all get old and we all break. So anyway, we're watching right now in the stocks. We've only got not that long to go now, is it? What's the time? Yeah, 20 minutes now. Oh, I've got a new follower, Octavano. Now you're on Twitch and you're a follower, make sure that you actually subscribe to me using Amazon Prime. It's free, and then you'll be in the draw on Friday as well. All right. Do you like that, Leah? That new look? Did you see it? You didn't see it, did you? Leah didn't see it. There you go. Look at that. Look at this, Leah. I was up here. Thank you very much. Standing up, doing the thing. Look, let me show you what I was doing. Look, Leah, so I can be up here, look. I can be up, not that one, number 2. Look on the screen, let's see, I can be up here. I can still be doing the stocks, look. Still looking at the stocks. There you go, see? See, it works. Do that. You like that? You're happy now? There you go. My wife's happy. I learned a little phrase in America. It's called happy wife, happy life. Right? It's very, very true, that is. You need to remember that one. And no chat lines. Definitely no chat lines. Otherwise, that's really going to get you in trouble. Leah's just brought me one of my new Martyn Lucas invested mugs. If you've not got one yet, look, they're in the shop. Click on the shop in the chat right now for Christmas. What could you possibly get better for Christmas than a Martyn Lucas mug? Right, let's read these comments. Seb Dean sends his love to Churchy. Siddhartha, hello there. We got Siddhartha here. I take it the back's all good right now. Well, yeah, it is a little bit. VIX looks very cheap considering the day ahead. What would be a negative scenario for the markets to get today regarding the Fed? Do you know, honestly, for my portfolio, none whatsoever. I'm not fearful of the Fed, not fearful of anything. I just see everything as opportunity. If the markets go down, that's great. I'm not trying to retire tomorrow. I feel sorry for people who are retiring today. Their 401k, their pensions, their stocks are on the floor. It just presents opportunity, right? 0.75 guidance for December and lower would be, yeah, we all know that, absolutely. Look, 71% saying green now. Morning, Shad. You'll like me, Shad. As an employee and a rock star of Facebook that you are, I've been buying more and more Meta. Absolutely. I literally had a couple of $100 worth of Meta. I now have nearly $5,000 worth of Meta. See that there? Look. My average now 118. Now you might go, well, you've been buying it at 94. Why is your average 118? Because I had some at 180. I had some at 200, as did everybody else. I didn't sell. Why would I sell? I believe in the company. It's not going anywhere. I bought some more. I've been buying it. Every time it goes down $1, I buy another one. There's my list, look. This list goes on and on and on. I can show you more. Look at it. 96, 96, 95, 94, 94, 94, 93. And that's it. Each time it's a bit lower. Each time it's a bit less. And I won't pay any more. So now my lowest is 93. So I'll buy another one at 92. And if it goes up from here, which it will, all he's got to do is say I'm spending less on Metaverse. Or the Metaverse does well. Either scenario, the stock will double. Simple as that. And that guidance number is largely indicated by rhetoric. He won't speak it out explicitly. T.O. Roll. We are covering the FOMC live today. Here it is. Here it is. Jerome Powell live on the show. Why isn't that opening up? Anyway, you can see it there. Look. There it is. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day whatever happens, honestly. Right, it'll be in the wording used and the results of how the members voted. Okay. I have your channel looping on my iPad since last night, like the Energizer buzzer bunny. It keeps going and going. Yeah, Bill, I saw that, and I really appreciate that. You've really helped my channel. I wish everybody else would do the same thing. What I want everyone to do is on Friday, we're giving away any prize you want out of my merch shop. You can have the most expensive or the cheapest. It's up to you, whatever you want. And all you've got to do to win is the playlist that I created while I was away, investing on the stock market, play all. You haven't even got to be there. Just play all and let it run through. We've got until Friday. It's on the homepage of the channel. Very, very easy. All you've got to do is click it and play all. And Bill's been doing it. There you go. And you'll be in on the draw on Friday. Because basically, to win, you have to watch the entire playlist, watch all the videos. You could have watched them every day throughout the month, or you could now watch them all now. So whichever way you like. All right. Love the new name, Marty. Two more appropriate for your mindset investing. Thank you, Daniel. I appreciate that. I still scalp trade. I still day trade. But my ultimate aim is when I'm in the future, I want to have a $100,000 portfolio. That may come this year. I'm looking to buy great companies. I don't invest on prices. I just simply action my trades on prices. But it's not the prices that influence me to buy a stock. It's the company that does. I research the CEO. I research what the company are doing, how innovative they are. I have a diverse portfolio to protect my assets. It's easy to make money, hard to keep it. And I'm looking to, yes, I'm an investor. But also, the reason why I did Martyn Lucas is I was frustrated with having the number 2 or number 1 at the end of my channel. That's not good. Not good for search, the analytics, the algorithm, so on and so forth. It's much better to have just a name, number 1. Number 2, I rank for Martyn Lucas because I'm the world piano man. So people Google Martyn Lucas. Now they find Martyn Lucas Music and Martyn Lucas Investor. So actually, it's a win-win-win-win. It's like ultimately win. But thank you for recognizing. Thank you for liking it. I'm glad you like it. That means a lot. It was a big decision I had to make. I thought, wow, change the name on something that's growing, and also, I'm Martyn Lucas Investor everywhere now. It's not like I'm, Martyn Lucas 2 or 3 somewhere else. I'm Martyn Lucas Investor everywhere. So it's kind of cool, right? Meta has its issues, but it's not going anywhere anytime soon. At 94, surely there's got to be profit there. Of course. Absolutely. Absolutely. I agree with you. My mate is obsessed with the metaverse. He streams every day with him building his own little world. Look at that. See, there'll be others like that. Personally, I don't think VR will take off, nor do I. I don't like it. I've got no interest in it whatsoever. Been there, done that. But the augmented reality will be very interesting. There we go. And at the end of the day, Shad, it's very, very obvious to me. Extremely obvious to me. When you invest, let me explain this, right? Too many people, hang on a minute, I need to run a very, very quick commercial break, and then I'll tell you why I think Meta is a buy. A buy, like huge. Be back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay. Why do I think Meta is a buy? Absolutely. First of all, it's a cash cow. It makes money. It doesn't hold any debt. That already puts it above 90% of the stock market. All right. It has 2.9 billion customers. Name another business. Well, Apple, Microsoft, there are a few. But at the end of the day, it's not about Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg is not Facebook. Right, Mark Zuckerberg is the creator, and which makes him an incredible genius, in my opinion. People are like, he's an idiot. What have you done today? Did you invent Facebook? Did you invent a multi-billion-dollar business around the world with 2/3 of the world using your platform? I don't think so. So he's not an idiot. You might not like him. You might not like his voice. You might not like his face, the way he looks. You might think he's an idiot. At the end of the day, he's an innovator, and he's very much like me from the point of view that I do what I believe is right. What I believe is right. and I sit here and work, and I go forward with what I believe is right. And he's doing exactly the same thing. He's doing what he thinks is right. Now, all he's got to do, even if you, first of all, if you think the metaverse is brilliant and it pays off, the stock's $500 a stock, right? $500 a share. Boom, massive. Because they'll be leagues ahead of it. No one else will have it. So it will own the world if the metaverse works, number one. If the metaverse doesn't work, which is probably more likely, but then everybody said electric cars wouldn't take off, solar wouldn't take off. Well, it has. But maybe it doesn't. Maybe it falls flat and it's rubbish. All right? Maybe that's the case. They still have Facebook. They still have Instagram. They still have WhatsApp. All those things make money. Reels is getting better. They're going to monetize Reels. All they've got to do is turn the tap off and say I'm spending less or nothing on the metaverse, and wallop, up goes the price of the stock. So to me, why on earth would you not buy a company like that? This is just people who don't believe in Mark Zuckerberg. That is a popularity contest. That's not a business investment. Too many people invest in prices, emotion, personalities, tweets, trends, rubbish on the internet, inspired by silly YouTubers. I hope I'm not one of those. And that's what they invest in. Also, remember, very, very important thing to remember, many of the people that sold here, the big institutions, bought Facebook way before here. They bought it down here somewhere. I don't know, imagine the chart 7, 8, 9, 10 years ago, down here. They bought it here. And now it's regarded as source of funds. They've made loads of money. They've creamed it off the top, and they bought the stock. They bought other things that they think are going to emerge faster. People are buying Rumble and stuff like that. I'm not interested in that. But anyway, that's all it is. So to me, that allows me to go back 5 years. In fact, go back, 7, 8, 9 years now, crazy, to buy it. And why wouldn't you? That doesn't mean to say I'm going to remortgage the house and buy every share going. That's stupid. And you might say, well, why are you down 19% when you believe this? Because I was already in. I could go 10% down if I spent $4,000 today and doubled up my position. I'd be like 10% down. But that would be overweighted. I'd have 10% of Facebook or Meta. I don't want 10%. That's not responsible. But what I do is when it next goes, if it goes down to 93, I'll buy another one. If it goes to 92, I'll buy another one. If it goes to 90, I'll buy another one. And slowly my average will just keep coming down and down and down, or will suddenly start turning up, and 20% will be gone in 5 minutes, and then we'll double up. So it's a win-win. It's a win-win. Let's read these comments out. Meta is a buy because they will move and adapt to whatever they need to do to make money. I agree, 100%. When they can't do a perfect simulation of an attractive girl in the metaverse, is when it will take off. 100%, says Shad. Oh yeah, totally agree. Everybody will buy one then. Can you imagine with augmented reality, you just wear glasses and the girl just appears in your living room? Steady on. It's not that kind of show. It sounds nice, but honestly, tried VR, and after a while, I felt disconnected from everything, and it wasn't good for my mental health. Don't think it will work. There you go. Right. Okay. Meta, watching it now. We're going to keep our eye on all these things. Okay, we've got 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go. I'm going to put you on the big screen. Second, I'm going to take a very, very quick commercial break. I'm getting ready to ring the bell. So I'm going to go to the restroom. So I'm going to leave you on there. I'll be right back. Keep talking amongst yourselves. I'll be back in 2 minutes so we can ring the bell and get involved in an explosive day. All right, so see you back in a minute. I'm going to run this commercial. If you want to just sit through it, because I'm going to be gone 2 minutes, then that helps the channel. If not, skip it, come right back. Either way, I'll be back in 2 minutes from now. All right, just need to go to the restroom. Here we go. Okay, we are back. Thank you very much indeed for sticking with me. I don't. I find it good to watch it on TikTok. You prefer TikTok? Why do you prefer TikTok? YouTube is far better. You see all the screens on TikTok. You're just looking at the broadcast on YouTube, whereas on YouTube you're actually getting it broadcast to you, not looking at a TV screen. So the quality's better. The sound's better. Tell me why you prefer it on TikTok. I'm interested. But it's funny. Some people go, I prefer it on Twitch. But some people, very few, say I even prefer it on Facebook. Some people watch it on my website as well. So Twitter, LinkedIn, everyone's got their own way of doing it. That's why you just go everywhere and let everybody, watch it where they want. Anyway, here we go. Big day today. We're coming up to 1 minute to go. Very, very exciting. Okay. We're going to start the 1 minute. In 1 minute, we need to get 30 likes as well. We've got 23. Here comes the 1 minute clock to ring the bell. 1 minute, I want 30 likes. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Smash the like button. I want 30 likes. If you just tuned in, if you want the stocks to go up today, if we're all going to make some money, smash the like button. There it is. We've got just 46 seconds to go. We're up to 23 likes. We need 24. We need 30 likes. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said chiggy, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. We need 5 more likes. We got 31 watching, 25 likes. Smash the like button. Come on, let's go, go, go. We're about to ring the bell. Here we go. What a day this is. We are looking for the bargains. We are looking for the bargains today. Are you ready? Here we go. We're counting down now. Just 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go hunting for our stocks. The lightning round is coming up as well. Here we go. The bell has now gone. Where are we going today? Jerome Powell in the house. We're down very slightly, not much. Normally we get a crash or something explode. Nothing's moving. That's very, very unusual. Let's have a look. Nothing's moving. Okay, the S&P 500 is down 0.18. We've got Virgin Galactic is up today. Oh, something's going. Here we go. Something's moving now. Virgin Orbit, we're not buying that yet. We've got Tesla down 0.66. Not cheap enough for me yet. Rivian has gone down. Not cheap enough. It's down 0.09. Hardly anything, to be honest. Lucid down today, but still not really for me anymore. Arrival all over the place. Amazon is up 0.55, not enough. Apple down 0.55, now going up. Let me jump to Robinhood. Robin is down 2%, still not cheap enough for me. McDonald's is flat right now, in fact going up. Coca-Cola is down, but I'm still up, so that's not cheap enough. We've got J&J down 0.39, but no, I'm still up, so that's not cheap enough. It could be Meta. I'm thinking Meta when we get to it. Google's looking okay, it's up. Let's have a quick look. Microsoft is up. Meta, there we go. There we go, 94. We're looking for a buy. There's no buy. No, nothing there. It's coming straight back up again. Very, very quickly. I wonder if it's Tilray. Yes, Tilray has dropped 2.36. Still up 8%. A big drop there with Tilray. We're down 1.2% now overall. Ginkgo Bioworks has dropped. I'm not buying any more, honestly. In fact, I'm out of the stock. I'm out of Ginkgo Bioworks right now, it looks like. Yes, I am. I'm out of Ginkgo. Enphase Energy, no, nothing cheap enough. There isn't any discounts really for me. Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin, Ethereum. No, nothing really. A very small move this morning so far. That's very promising. Down 1.5% now. Okay, we're starting to fall. Where's it going? The S&P, I'm still down. I'm still up. In fact, I'm down 1.67 overall. What I mean by that is it's way above my lowest prices. Way above. I think I bought it at 329 the last time I bought it. The S&P, yeah, 321. 321. I bought a couple of shares at 321. So I'm not going to pay 352, am I? That would be bloody stupid, wouldn't it? I would have bought, otherwise I'd have bought more at 321. Virgin Galactic. I sound like that game show host, remember? 321, 321, 321. That's it, 321. There we go. Something like that. Anyway, I don't know why I'm doing that, but what the hell. There you go. Right. 28 likes now. Not bad at all. So Virgin Orbit. Okay. Tesla. Do you know what? It's okay. Nothing exciting, really. Nothing that exciting yet. Nothing exciting yet. Nothing is grabbing my attention yet. I'm still holding above 40,000. Nothing really that major going on. Rivian, Tesla, down 1.86. I mean, I last bought Tesla at the lowest price of 212. See, it's a long way to go before I hit my lows. Long way. Rivian. I could look for some other stocks that I haven't been paying any attention to, like Lucid, for example, but I'm plenty much in the EV space. There really isn't any point. This company is great, but it just can't get going. It can't ramp up, and that's the problem. And to be honest with you, other than just trying to lower my average, I've got enough 80 shares of this when it goes to $40, because it will. It did before. It might do it again. Amazon, there really isn't anything that's popping out to me that's saying buy me, to be honest. This is going to rebound very shortly. Robinhood, of course, is earnings today, so their earnings is bound to be up. Why is Robinhood earnings bound to be up? Well, because interest on margin and fees have gone up, so they'll make more money. I'm sure of it. If they exceed expectation, and they're slowly getting better. Look, if they beat expectation, that'll be great. Kathy Wood is buying back in again. But Ted Rogers, Dusty Bin. Dusty Bin! Hey! Good old Dusty Bin. Oh, I love it. Love it. Oh, my God. Mullen. I'm not touching Mullen anymore. It proved to be scammy. It proved it was a rip-off, so I'm not interested in that at all. Robinhood, I think Robinhood could be up tonight, but I'm up 18%. I'm not going to buy it at 11. I had it at 9. If it goes to 9.75, yeah, I'll buy that today. I will buy Robinhood today if it goes to 9.75. If it goes to my average price, I'll buy more. But I'm not going to chase it up here. Do a poll, Ali Tisro, to bring back the day trader. Hey, Ali Tisro, I'm still day trading. I'm still scalp trading. We've just changed the name. And it was 87%. People loved the name. I now have a unique name. I'm the only one. I rank on Google for it. I'm more searchable for it. It also is, all my brand is the same. Martyn Lucas Investor on TikTok, Martyn Lucas Investor on Twitch, Martyn Lucas Investor everywhere. So it brands across everywhere. It's much, much better. Paul B! Oh my gosh, Paul B! How is Paul B? Lovely to have you here. So, I tell you what then. I will do a poll for you because you are a member and you are royalty, as you know. So let's do a poll. Let's have a quick poll here. Engage with the audience. Start a poll. Oh, hang on, I've got to end the other poll. Everyone's at 62% say green, so we'll have a bit of that. So here we go. Let's do a poll. Start a poll because Ali Tisro wants to know. So I still day trade. I still scalp trade. But it more explains the channel, and it more explains, and it's more searchable and better for everything, and rebrands across everywhere. Many, many reasons, really. Okay, do you like the new name? Do you like the new name? So let me just show you, first of all. Martyn Lucas Investor, there you go. You see it on the top of the channel. Look. Do you like the new name? You know, you understand now why I've done it. For the branding purposes, the searchable, because I'm the world piano man. People search for Martyn Lucas. Now they'll find Martyn Lucas Music and Martyn Lucas Investor, so I'll get more views. It's branded across all the platforms, My logo makes perfect sense because now it's Martyn Lucas. The ML logo is everywhere, so it works for that. It reflects that I invest. It's more credible. More people respect you if you're an investor than a trader. That's a fact, even though I do trade, and we all do. Right, do you like the new name, yes or no? I'm going to do another poll because Ali Tisro wants to hear it. Ted Rogers and Dusty Bin. Good morning. We've missed the Queen. We've so missed the Queen. Absolutely great. Welcome back, Martyn. It's lovely to have you here. Glad to see you. Glad to see you too. Mike's welcome you in as well. Smash the like button. We need 2 more likes. Oh my gosh, we've now got 37 watching. We got 28 likes. We need 30 likes. Ever since I followed you, I would say your mindset is more geared towards investing, so it suits. That's what Shad said. Hello, guys. It's good, and it's mint, and sell it. It's good. It's good. Trademark it, mint it, and sell it. I like it. I like it. All right. Okay. Fantastic. Soren S is here. Hello, guys. Here he is. Soren S. 30 likes now. There we go. Spot on. Right. We are going to be here all day today because we got Jerome Powell speaking later. That's going to be live on the show. We've also got Closing Bell. We've also got the earnings for Robinhood. Absolutely. Right. Nothing to buy. Not cheap enough at S&P. Virgin Galactic, 473. What was my latest acquisition? 413. Yeah, I thought so. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, Rivian, Lucid. Let me have a look. Paul B's been a member now. What did I see? Paul B, 10 months. He'll have that gold badge very, very soon. Then the red one. 2 months away from being a member for 12 months. Oh, I know. Nice one, mate. Nice one. Paul B, thank you very much indeed, Paul B. Very, very good. What time is the hike? What time is the hike? Here it is. I will share with you right on the screen. There's the FOMC. We'll be live. It's in your time zone, so click on the video and you will see it in your time zone, wherever you are. But I'll be live at 12:30, straight after this show. There it is, Jerome Powell, live on the homepage, straight after this. If you click on it, it'll tell you what it is in your time zone. Mike, this is the best YouTube channel in the world. Did you choose a YouTube? Yes, I did. It's at Martyn Lucas Investor. Can someone try it? Can someone test that? If you go at Martyn Lucas Investor, there you go. See, it comes up. Go on, everybody, try it. Go at Martyn Lucas Investor. Very, very good. There you go. 93% say it. Look at that. 14 votes. One person said no. That must be Ali Tisro. Why, Ali? Why don't you like it? Why don't you like it? I want 100%. What's this 93% rubbish? I want 100%. Why don't you like it? There you go. See, it works. Mr. Cossack, you spelt it wrong. Martyn Lucas Investor. Yeah, you spelt it wrong. It's not going to come up if you spell it wrong. Right. Oh, meta. Right. Okay, here we go. 93.16. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Meta's on sale. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Get ready to buy one. 93. Oh, thank you. Thank you. 92. $93.10. Hang on, what's my last buy? $93.16. It's got 93. $93.16 was my lowest. Go on, give it to me. $93.16. There we go. 93. Do you know what? I'll just set a limit order. I'll set a limit order. A limit order of 93. I'll buy another one at 93. One allow. Yeah, 93. Review the order. I wonder if it's going to trend lower. Get it even better. 93. Yeah, I'll go one at 93. There we go. One at 93. I'll set a limit order. Oh, it went through. It went through. Brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. Popularity contest. That's all the Wall Street is right now. Have you missed me, Mike? Paul B. We've all missed you. Paul B is back. Paul B is back. LOL. Back above 40,000. Very nice. Did you add more cash? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Ali, Paul B. How is the new carb doing, Paul? So good. Great. 93. 93.22. Let's look at the overall portfolio. 40. 45. Any more bargains? Nothing on the S&P. Virgin Galactic, still not cheap enough. Coming back up again. Virgin Orbit, we were there at the space station. I don't like how the company trades. Met some of the people. I told you all about it. It's a very unusual company. So I'm waiting for it to go lower. Tesla's bounding back. Rivian bounding back. There's no opportunities here at all for me to buy lower. Nothing really screaming out. Amazon's going up now. Apple's not cheap enough either. Robinhood, we got the earnings tonight. Nothing yet. McDonald's, Coke, J&J, not cheap enough. Google, no, not cheap enough. Google, I've been buying more of it. I've been buying more of an average of 100 now. Can you believe I'm even saying that? 90. Oh, 90.38. So let's have a look. We'll buy more. Google's a great buy as well. So we'll go 90. We'll go 90. I'll buy one at 9. So I'll set a limit order for 90. I'll set a limit order for 90. Review the order. Buy one at 90 if it goes down there. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. Hang on. Edit. Limit order. That's better. Get it right. I want to buy 90 shares, do I? $90. I want to buy another share just to bring it down. That might not happen. $90. Review the order. Buy one. If I get it for 90, I get it for 90. All right, let's go back to Microsoft. Let's go back to Meta. 93. Let's set another one. We've just bought another one at 93. Let's now go 92. Unbelievable, isn't it? Set a limit order. Why do you like Meta? We just went through it all. I'll cover it all again. It's obvious to me. It's clear as day. It's the best value stock you can buy now. It can pivot in a heartbeat. It's got a better balance sheet than nearly every other company in the world other than Apple. It has 2.9 billion customers. It's growing its customers. More people are using Reels. They're about to monetize Reels. When they start spending on the metaverse, up it goes. It's being given away now. People don't like. They don't think that. They suddenly think the guy who invented Facebook's an idiot. I don't even like Facebook. I don't even like Meta. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of any of it. But I'm a fan of making money, and I think it's the best value stock, pound for pound. Its PE ratio is off the scale. I mean, 8.87. It's probably the best value stock to buy. it's merely a popularity contest, but also it's a source of funds. People who bought this 20 years ago or 15 years ago, whatever it was, have made so much money now, they're selling it to buy new companies. That's all it is. So it's dropped like a stone. It'll come back. I've got no doubt whatsoever. To me, you are absolutely crazy if you're going to give away Meta. But anyway, that's up to you. 93. Yeah, I'll do a limit order of 90. I'll do 92. Set a limit order. Buy limit order of 92. 92.50. There we go. I'll just keep getting 50 cents off one share. Allowed to trade. If it does, it does. Review all at 92.50. There we go. I'll buy another one. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. 90 shares. Ha ha. What's 90 shares? I have 2 at 94. 90 shares. Oh, you have 90 shares. Ali, do you have 90 shares of Meta? Is that what you're saying? The overall portfolio just coming up slightly now, down just 0.8. Nothing else really. I agree Meta is very underrated at the moment. Might drop to 50, worst case, but risk to reward is better than most at the moment. Already dropped a ton. I agree. It could possibly go down to 50. It's why I'm only buying one share every time it goes down $1. I'm not buying 100 shares now and then I'm skint if it goes to $50. I'm buying one all the way down because I don't know, and neither does anybody else know where the bottom is. But it's 80% discount. We've gone back like, what, 12 years or gone back 7 or whatever it is. Some ridiculous number. It's like I said the other day. If you always use Colgate toothpaste and you're always going to clean your teeth, I'm assuming that you're going to clean your teeth for the rest of your life, right? And you buy it for £1. £1 for Colgate toothpaste. And someone said to you today, you can buy toothpaste at 1 pence, 99% discount. Would you buy enough toothpaste to last your lifetime? Yes, I would. That's the best way to make money. Because one, you are going to save 99% of the money you will ever spend on toothpaste. You are always going to use toothpaste. It will always go up in price because of inflation. You've beaten inflation. You've saved money. So the way I look at it is the same with Meta. It is now on a ridiculously oversold position by a mile, right? So I liked it at $200, as did millions and millions of other people. And now they've changed their mind. Overnight, they've changed their mind because what's his face? Mark Zuckerberg has got an innovative idea. Well, he had an innovative idea to invade Facebook. They thought he was stupid when he started it. So there you go. That's my humble opinion. So there you go. It makes absolute sense. Just keep buying it. Every time it goes down $1, I'll buy another one. That's it. Easy. I could just double up now, but then I'm overweighted. It's overbalanced on my portfolio, and I'm all in. I can't get any lower, so I just buy $1 because at the end of the day, that 20% loss right now could be gone in 5 minutes. If he came online tomorrow and said we've done enough innovation in the metaverse, I'm going to spend nothing next month. Boom, $200 a share. Because no one is investing in companies anymore. People are simply following trends, tweets, Twitter, Reddit. They're getting aggressive. They are greedy. They are selfish. They're all the things that are bad about a human being. Nobody actually wants to own the company anymore. They want to buy the price. The price is just the position to me. It's irrelevant. It's not the value of the company. The value of the company, and here's my proof of that. Virgin Galactic now, if you divide the share price by the amount of shares available, you are actually paying for the cash they hold on the balance sheet. So you are paying 0 for the rocket, 0 for the company, 0 for the growth. What you are paying for now, if you look at how many shares there are, divided by times by the cost of the share, you are paying for the cash they hold on the balance sheet. In other words, if I have $10 in my hand, forget how good my show is or how much I might make in the future, I have $10 of cash in my hand, real $10, and I have one share, and that one share is $10. Would you pay $10 for my show, my business? You can buy the Martyn Lucas Investor YouTube channel, one share for $10, and I hold $10 in my hand. You're getting the show for free, the growth for free, the 5,000 subscribers for free, the 26,000 followers on TikTok for free. You're paying for the cash. Now, this is 6 says, but they are burning cash. They are burning cash to build the rockets to put the paying customers in. Simple. So why on earth would you not buy the company at this price? I don't invest on future ideas or future dreams or tweets or Reddit or God knows what else. I simply invest on basic financial principles of what's going to make money. But that doesn't mean to say you should have 100% of your portfolio Virgin Galactic. What it does say, however, is that you should, in my opinion, be in the stock. Simple as that. Simple as that. And Meta is exactly the same. So many companies here have debt. Does Meta have any debt? I don't think it does it? Does it have any debt? It's probably creating debt now by spending money, but it didn't before. Anyway, companies trade on outlook, not today. Yeah, but I don't trade on what everybody else is telling me. This price on the screen is not the value of Meta. It's the price that people are prepared to pay. That's it. I want a share. Mike says he wants to buy a share of the Martyn Lucas show. There you go. $10, one share. You own the whole company for $10. I do it for $8. See, now we're getting into argy-bargy. Now we're getting into all that trading silliness. There's no trading silliness here. There's fundamentals, period. End of the Martyn Lucas investing share. There you go. $20. There we go. We've got an advance on 10. We've got $20 right now. Hang on a minute. Do you like the new name? Oh, hang on a minute. What happened there? It was like 98%. It's come down to 54% now. Half of you don't like it. Bloody hell, what happened? Well, there you go. There you go. Now I've got 37 votes now. 54% say yeah. I might leave that up there for a while. Wow, that's dropped a bit. You wouldn't buy it if you believe they will need to raise more cash, which is likely. To raise more cash... who's this? Virgin Galactic, you mean? They could get hold of cash without any shadow of a doubt. I've worked for Richard Branson in the experiences, and I know for a fact that Richard Branson wants to make Virgin Galactic his legacy. 5,000, take it or leave it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I will take it. Send me $5,000 right now, and I will send you a mug like this saying, I own the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. $5,000, take it or leave it. Meta to zero. There we go. That makes me believe in Meta even more now. Because now Arnold the Palmer, who reckons everyone's going to get margined every 5 minutes, now he says Meta to zero. That means that for me, I now think it's worth even more. Just got one space. There we go. Mr. Cossack, he's bought a space. Oh my gosh. Listen, I came in buying space, Virgin Galactic, when it was $35. Some people paid $70. And you have bought it now for $4.74. Bargain of the century, my friend. Bargain of the century. There you go. I'd buy Martyn Lucas show for more than $8. Arnold to zero. We'll get Meta someday. Look, there you go. Look, I already maxed out. I'm already maxed out. 25 quid. Banish the naysayers. Yeah, absolutely. Get rid of that. Yes, they can get hold of it, but they will either dilute the existing shares or need to pay interest on a loan. Yes, they can get hold of it, but they will dilute the existing shares or need to pay interest. I understand that. 499 overpriced. I knew Paul B was going to come in. What was it? Something Market. Birkin Market or something like that, wasn't it? I am the major shareholder. Yes. Alex, hey brothers, are you ready for Virgin Galactic? Are you? Are you? Yes, I am. I've got more Virgin Galactic shares than I've ever had. I've just visited the Virgin Orbit space station. Did you all see the video? I was there when Virgin Orbit landed in Cornwall, Birkenhead. That's it, Birkenhead. I knew it. I was there when it landed, and I'm going to the Virgin Galactic space station next time for next year's party. The party in the Cornwall was a great success. Everybody came. It was absolutely brilliant. Really, really great. Anyway, next year we're going to do it. Right, I can end the poll now because it looks like 50-50. Some like it, some don't. Now, there you go. That is exactly my point about Meta. We have just proved my point. We have more viewers today than we've ever had for a Wednesday morning opening bell. There was 50 people 1 second ago. It's now 48. I think we've had 100 and something come through the show so far. Let me have a look. How many is it? This morning we've had 127 come through the show, which is a record for a Wednesday opening bell. Okay, I will tell you that now. And 50% of you don't like the name of the show. 50% of you don't like the name of the show. But yet, we have one of our best ever audiences. Our subscribers are up, our members are up, our viewers are up, and so on and so forth. That is exactly like Meta. Every one of you here loves to moan, especially if you're English. Everything's rubbish. Everything's bloody rubbish. Rubbish. But yet, everyone, even if you hate Facebook, I bet every single person here has posted something on Facebook in the last few months, few weeks. I bet every one of you have posted a picture. This is me on the beach. This is me having a holiday. I bet every single one of you who's moaning about Meta, who sold it out, has used it. I absolutely believe that 100%. What time is the Fed announcement? Right here on this show, there. In your time zone, it's straight after this show. There it is. Click on it on the homepage of the YouTube channel. It's coming up next. This video will link right to it. I don't use Facebook, says Ali Tisro. There's always bloody one. There's always bloody one. But he's allowed to be the bloody one because he's royalty. He's a gold member. Has been since day one. Since we had memberships in December, which is coming up to a year now, Ali Tisro has been a gold member, and he's never once taken many of his gold member benefits. The Zoom calls, the many, many perks he can get, he's never done it. He's just here to support our channel, and it's huge, and I can't thank him enough. It's the members that keep this channel going. That's why I'm live 10 hours a day. Right, we're coming back up now. Let me read some of these comments. I just took a huge short position in the Martyn Lucas Investor Show at $10. All right, get out of it. All right, out of here. What do you mean you took a short position? We don't do shorts on this channel, and you can't take a short in me because I haven't got any shares on sale. They are that exclusive, they're not even available. They're not even available. Bloody hell, unbelievable. If I did a Martyn Lucas investor T-shirt and it said, I'm an investor, I own the Martyn Lucas Investor channel, who would buy it? Who would buy it? And I'll make one. We use Facebook a lot for our company advertising. There you go. Everybody does, apart from Ali Tisro. I opened a Facebook years ago, never use it. Bill don't use it either. I don't think anyone under 25 uses Facebook. That can't be true. I've got lots of 25-year-old people that I know that are on Facebook. I can tell you that for a fact. Fact. Lots of people I know under 25 are on Facebook. Martyn Lucas, the scalping day trading investor. Thank you. It's a good job you don't work on my marketing department. Let me welcome you to my marketing department. Hello, I'm the marketing department. Hang on. I'm the marketing department. How can I help you? I'm all right. Yeah, we want to call the show Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, apparently Shad says we should call it, what was it? The Scalping Day Trader Investor. No, stick to Martyn Lucas Investor. No one's going to write that into YouTube, are they? No one's going to write that. Look at my comments about Facebook. Ali Tisro. I don't use Facebook. He knows Facebook is dying and he has taken the decision to move forward with time. No many companies are forward-looking. He knows Facebook is dying and he has taken the decision to move forward with time. No many companies are forward-looking. I think he knows that you've got to reinvent yourself, and that's why he's doing the metaverse. Anyway, we use Facebook a lot. I don't think anyone under 25... okay. Oh, wait. Martyn Lucas, the world piano man scalping day trading investor. Now you're getting silly now. Shout stream, you're taking over the show and you're making a nuisance of yourself, coming out with silly comments like that. Martyn Lucas, the world piano man scalping day trader investor. That's ridiculous. Stop it with your silly nonsense, and I'm sick and tired of reading out your silly comments. I mean, I'm so glad to be back. Space for $500. I don't think it's worth $500 or ever will be $500. It would have to have a huge transformation of where it is, but I do believe it could be $100. Yes, I do believe that. $500, no. He got money from He got money from Prime Minister Sunak. I didn't get any money. Who got money? I found it. Updated the picture. There we go. Martyn Lucas, the scalped-headed investor. Oh, I like that one. Martyn Lucas, the scalped-headed investor. That's a bit rude, though, isn't it? That's basically saying I've got no hair. With all due respect, that's a bit rude. Because now you've got personal now. Now you've made it personal. Now you've started attacking my appearance. I don't think... Oh, hang on a minute. Microsoft, two shares at 226. Oh, Microsoft. I'm going to buy two. Yeah, okay. Buy a Microsoft. Let me set a limit order. A limit order of 225 shares. 1. Allow. It touched a little bottom there for the minute. Let me get review the order 225. Let me just get rid of that a minute. Not for nothing, but look at Martyn Lucas Investor being on a run since 2020. LOL, I might buy some. Not for nothing, but look at Martyn Lucas Investors been on a run since 2020. I might buy some. Martyn Lucas, the Meta Man. Dun 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 dun. The Meta Man. Dun 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 dun. The Meta Man. I love it. I mean, it's just getting better. There is another comment before that one you missed. Bloody hell, Ali Tisro. Why can't you just write it again? All right. Okay, I've got it now. Flipping out, Ali. He is a gold member. Mark is not stupid. He sees where the world is going. Metaverse will be massive. Maybe not today, but 5 to 10 years, which is exactly when I need to retire, if I ever retire at all. Next crypto bull run, people will pump it. Next crypto bull run, people will pump it. There you go. That's what Ali Tisro says. I like it. Smoking. I don't think so. Anyway, the show's getting out of control now because of you guys messing me about. MLI Muller Industries, Martyn Lucas Martyn Lucas, what is it? Martyn Lucas Investor Muller Industries. I like the industries thing. It makes me sound very professional. You love me really. Well, you say that. You say I love you, but you know what I mean? It's like, you know, it's because of you I've got all this Facebook debt. You know, you kept saying Facebook's great. I'm on Facebook. I make money, and in the end, I've ended up being like corrupt. It's like Churchy. Churchy's got me to buy bloody what's it called? Ford. I told him I'm not buying any Fords. Rubbish. And now I don't know why I own so much Ford. That's because of Churchy. It's probably because of you now that I own so much Facebook. No, check. MLI, Martyn Lucas Industries. There you go, Martyn Lucas Industries. I like Martyn Lucas Industries. Martyn has lost it since his trip to the UK. Yeah. Ali Tisrow, we're very sad that you didn't turn up. Everyone was saying, where's Ali Tisrow? Ali Isles was there. Nicky Boy Gaming was there. Paddy. Ali from Italy. I was there. Leah was there. C&V Tom Studios was there. Loads of people were there. The real people, but not you lot. Isn't Vorb going to do a launch soon? Yes, it is, but I don't like the way it trades. I'm waiting to, when it goes to 268, I'll buy some more. Because it does this flash crazy stuff. I don't like how it trades. I was there. I saw it land. I filmed it. Did you all see the video? Isn't Vorb going to launch? So do the not the real company MLI. No, the real company MLI. Oh, I see. Oh, you want me to look at MLI? So sorry I couldn't make it. Very sad. Yeah, it is very sad. It's been on a run since 2020. No clue what. Oh, I was there in spirit. Yes, many of you watched it. Next time, come to London. I ate the Cornwall roads. Oh yeah, why don't we just come to your house? Ali Tisrow, no, don't make any effort. Let's just go to Ali's house. MLI, he's going, all I want to do is I want you to review a stock. Will you just review a bloody stock for me? It's not hard, is it? All right, MLI, I'll do it. Flipping heck. I'll do it. MLI. All right, I'm doing it now. All right. I can't believe I'm doing this. I thought he meant Martyn Lucas Industries. That's my ego gone mad, isn't it? Because it's obvious he wasn't really suggesting Martyn Lucas Industries, but I thought he was. That's what happens, you see. I get carried away sometimes. MLI. Muller, oh, I see. He genuinely was actually talking about a company. I realise that now. Hang on a minute. Where's my screen gone? Hang on. There we go. That's better. Muller Industries. See you for the Fed meeting. Need to go and study. You're studying here, right? You're learning stuff here. Yep, I'll see you back for the meeting. See you in a bit, Ali. Everyone say goodbye, Ali. Even though he couldn't be bothered to come to our party and he reckons we should all go to his house next time. I don't know about that. So anyway, let's have a look. Muller Industries. Now I understand where Fusion was going. He was talking about this for ages, and I was going, Martyn Lucas, Muller Studios, bloody hell. It created chaos on our channel for a while. Right, just before we discuss Muller Industries, I need 35 likes. There are people watching this show who haven't yet liked the video. That's terrible. 1 minute on the clock. I need 35 likes in 1 minute. Chiggy, pow, pow. Chiggy, pow, pow. What the real Satoshi? Stand up, smash the like. Come on. 44 seconds. I need 35 likes. I mean, seriously, there's 41 of you watching. Smash the like button if you want the stocks to go up today and you want Fed Jerome Powell, Papa Powell, to pump the stocks for us. Put some gas under them. Alright? Smash the like button. Did you do it? We got 30. We got 35. There you go. Thank you very much. And by the way, we're here 10 hours a day, breaking news. Anything happens, we are covering it live. It's no good just to subscribe to the channel. You've got to ring the bell as well. Ring the bell, set notifications to all so you'll be notified when I go live. All right, now we've done all that. Let's get back to Muller Industries for pump MLI, everyone. Hooray! Let's go and pump it. Let's have a look. Is this a new IPO? No, it's not. No, it's not. Let's have a little look. Muller Industries incorporates a copper, brass, aluminium, and plastic products. It incorporates through the following segments: piping systems, industrial metals, and climate. Something else. It's up 83% in 5 years. I don't think that's enough of a growth, to be fair. But to be fair, it was up at 98 with the dip. We've had 17% over the last year. Well, at least it's up over the last year. Last 4 months, a bit of a dip. Okay, I can see there's an opportunity there, perhaps. Trading sideways for a month. Yeah, I can see, what's it got? A dividend of 140. Okay, it's got a dividend of 140. But if you're going to buy this, why wouldn't you buy Rio Tinto? If you're going to buy this, why would you not buy Rio Tinto? Rio Tinto's got a better growth, I think. And it's also got a better dividend. Now, Fusion's going, I wish I hadn't mentioned it now. Now you're just destroying my stock. You're destroying my stock. 37 likes. Fantastic. 100%. Every single person who's watching right now has liked the video. Every single person in the chat is a member. Apart from Neptunian, who's just come in, he's not a member. But 99% of you are members. That's amazing. Everyone's liked, everyone's watching, everyone's a member. Neptunian's thinking, bloody hell, I'm the only one. How come? So there you go. Muller. Rio been going down. This hasn't. No, true. It's been going down recently because commodity prices are dropping. But then so is Muller. I get your point. I get your point, Fusion. Don't have a go at me. I'll leave it there. We'll keep it open for the day. Right, let's go through as well. We need to check some more stocks. What's going on? The Vanguard S&P. We've got the Jerome Powell coming up shortly. We'll be live here with it. There's no opportunities for Virgin Galactic yet. Down very slightly. Virgin Orbit, not touching it yet. I want it one drop before it goes up. Once it drops, I'll do it again. Tesla, nothing there. Not cheap enough for me. Rivian, no. Lucid, no. Arrival, no. I bought it at 69. Purely as a lottery ticket. I just want to point that out. 96. Okay, what was my lowest price here? 89. I want to buy it. I want to buy a share at 89. I'm going to set a limit. I'm going to set a limit order. Whoops. Limit order 89. Limit price 89. 1. Allow. Review the order. I want to put an 89 in there. Limit price 89. My lowest price on that was 89.50. Yeah, so 89. That's that one. Apple. Over the last 3 months, when did I enter the market? Round about 130. 130 over the year. Yeah, okay. I'll put a marker in there. So I'll do a limit order for 130. Limit order. Market price $130. And we'll just have one marker there. Good for the day. Allow. Good till cancelled. Oh, I need to change these. Review order. Buy 130. Should we get a flash crash today? You never know. Robin Hood. Oh, yes. Bill. Bill, Leah just sent me a message about 20 minutes ago, actually. I forgot to say. Yes, a parcel's arrived. Been delivered today, Bill. So I will see you in the break. When I take a break, I'll have a look. But thank you very much, Bill. I believe there is a parcel here from UPS, or it was originally sent to UPS, and then it was redirected to here. So thank you very much indeed. Bill, I believe there is a parcel here. Right, 9.75 average cost. 11 shares at $9.50, so $9. Buy Robinhood, a limit order, $9. I'll buy 22. Good till cancelled. Allow at $9. There we go. Review the order. Hood order. There we go. That's taking care of that one. McDonald's is up. I don't need anything there. It's never going to go down there again. Coca-Cola. J&J. Did I get an order go through? One share at 90. Yes, it went through. I've got another share of Google gone through. There we go. Okay. It's just bought another share. Okay, there we go. One share, 90. Okay, now we'll set another one for 89. Let's go greedy. I mean, let's just go greedy. Set a limit order. 89. One share. Just one. Allow to execute. And good till cancelled. I can't believe that just went through. Yeah. There we go. Review the order. So buy Google at 89 now. Yeah. 89. Review the order. Buy. If you can see that there, that went through. Yeah, very good. So I just bought another one at 90. Very, very good. And we're already up to 90.12. Very good. Keep low in that average. Review it all. I will review it all. Thank you, Bill. Microsoft. Has that gone through as well? Bloody hell, I'm picking up bargains everywhere now. October 27th. No, I thought there was a... let me refresh that a minute. Make sure that's gone through all right. Meta. I've got a limit order placed. So that's done. SoFi, I've got enough. To be fair, IonQ, got enough. What's our Tilray doing right now? Tilray is holding up at 9.6, so down a bit today, but still holding up. I'm okay with that. Our Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's up. Not doing a great deal. It's down today. Bitcoin SV's up a bit, but nothing major. Right, let's go back to Microsoft a second. So, did I buy anything else? That's just gone through. Let's have a quick look. My last buy... October 27th. I haven't bought anything for ages. Let's have a quick look. It was 23 limit price 237. Okay, 226. My last price was 226. 226. So I'll do a limit order. Limit order and do 225. 1. Should we get a flash crash on it? I'm only down 5%. It's not a lot, so I don't want to go crazy. 225. Let me have a look. Has it hit that before? 2. No, it's the lowest position now for 3 months. Lowest position for a year. Yeah. Okay. 225. I can do that. It's a good value stock, right? The PE ratio is 25. It's not the best value in the world, but it's not bad. 225. I'll buy one at 225 then. Allow to execute, and I'll leave it there. Good till cancelled. Review order 225. There we go. That order's placed. Okay, done. We're down 1.9, $700 right now. Let's have a quick look. Here we are. This is where we are right now. Down 1.93. We're just basically preparing for the announcement. The S&P is nowhere near a buy yet for me. Muller's getting cheaper. Virgin Galactic. The last time I bought this one was 414. So what I'll do, no, I don't want to buy any more. It's ridiculous. I don't need any more of that. That's absolutely nuts. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit, I'll, just to give myself a flag, a warning, if it goes to 268, I'll just set a limit order just so it comes up. Limit price 268. Only like 10 shares, something silly. But the point is, if it happens, then it will remind me to jump on. That's all it does. Okay. 268, review the order. Put that in there. Buy. Done. Tesla. Now, we might get a flash crash on Tesla as well, and that's another company I want to own. The last time I bought that was 212 or 205. 205. Wow. Imagine that. So buy a Tesla, set a limit order again, a limit order. Let's go 201. 1 share. Allow. And do that good till cancelled. Review the order. Buy. What are my earnings expectations on earnings day? Well, we are covering the earnings. I honestly don't know, and neither does anybody else. There's Virgin Galactic. We are covering the earnings. That's on the November 3rd, tomorrow, after hours. I honestly don't know. To be honest, neither does anybody else. But they've sold the tickets. Everyone's waiting to fly. The VSS Unity is put together again. They're ramping up. They're hiring. They're building the hotels for the experiences, which means they're going to spend money. To be honest with you, it can only... I'm going to watch it on the earnings. And if it drops, hence why I'm setting in orders to buy, I will set... If this like drops to like $2, I will double up. I I don't know where it's going to go. I think it's ridiculously oversold because, as I say, it holds the value of it now is the value of the cash they hold. So for me, it's a buy anyway. I'm not going to sell it. All I'll do is trim off as I go up. But anyway, that's my view on it. Okay. I think we're all prepared. We have all our flash prices laid on. All the best companies ready on standby. I'm running a poll here. What's the poll on? Do you like the new name? 57%. Excellent. 47 votes. I love it. Look at that. I'll take that. I'll end the poll now. No, I won't. I'll leave it. I'll leave it. I don't think anybody else has got to vote, though, have they? I think everyone's here. Right. Let's get ready. We got day trader of the day as well. Coming up now. Let's have a quick commercial break, bring everybody up to date. So what you need to do is look on the video. Below the video, make sure that you are live. If you are not live, this button here is grey. See how I'm circling it? It's grey. Click on that, turn it red. Now you're up to date. See? Now you're up to date. Otherwise, you'll be behind the stream. Okay. Let's see if we gained any subscribers today. Are you ready? Let's have a little quick look. Here we go. 5149. We'd already gained a couple before, so it hasn't done anything during the show. That's okay, so never mind. But let's have a quick look. They had 164 people come through the show. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. So are you up? Are you down? Oh, we're getting a big drop now. We're looking for some bargains. I might get some of these sales go through. We received your order, Virgin Orbit. We received. I might get some buys. We received your order. I'm just clearing all my notifications so when it comes in, I'll be notified and then I can look and go, hey, let's get some more or whatever, and it'll reset. Okay, I think that's me up to date now. Hopefully now it will notify me if we do get anything. So, let's do our day trader of the day. So, when the first person posts, I shall run a 1 minute clock. I am down 2.25% at the moment. Going up pretty quick though. Am I the only one that still multiplies Tesla times 3 to figure out what the real price is? Am I the only one? Yeah, I know. I still do it. I still do it. I absolutely still do that. I do it all the time. Yeah, you have to, don't you, really? It sort of grounds you. Right, okay. Bring up a timer. When the first person posts their score, we'll see how everyone's doing. Okay, here we go. Max H is down 2.9. Down 0.94. Siddhartha's doing very, very well today. Me too. Always multiply, including Google, he says. Bill's doing very, very well. I think Bill's gone into the lead there. Alex is just saying I'm down. Doesn't want to admit to anything. 0.05. It's the only person. I think Bill is winning so far. Down 0.1, it says Alex. Down Ryan Carlson 3.4. Down 1.48. Fusion is down 1.8, down 2.85. Looks like Bill is going to win today. He's down hardly at all. There we go. Oh, hang on. Mason Kirk. Mason Kirk has come in and smashed it. Absolutely smashed it. Ryan, Carlson and Alex, just remind you, I think your memberships have expired if you want to renew that. I've been on holiday, I understand. If for those of you that haven't, that have let your Twitch free subscriptions expire using Amazon Prime, remember, here is the link. This Friday is the cash giveaway for our Twitch subscribers. It's free using Amazon Prime. It doesn't renew, so you need to go and renew it. We had 19, we're down to 7, so most of you need to renew it. Oh, we're up to 8 now. They're coming back, so please do go and renew it. Anyway, Mason Kirk has smashed it. The video download was cancelled. Hang on. Just refresh my Twitch channel. Bear with me. We've got to celebrate Mason Kirk here. Mason Kirk is the winner, up 31%. Oh my gosh. Mason Kirk is absolutely smashing it out of the park. So thank you very much for your honest trades. I thought it was Bill there for a minute. Give him a thumbs up and, of course, give him the sound effects. Here we go. Congratulations. Glad to see you back. It's great to be here. Best honor in the world. I love what I do. Love it, love it, love it. There you go. All right. Fantastic. So, Jerome Powell, not that long. How is SoFi getting smashed after a great earnings? Might be time for me to take a small position. Looks like 520, some support. I don't know is the answer to that. I like SoFi. I have it. I'm down 14%. It was up yesterday. It beats on every earnings. It goes up. It's still losing money. It's still losing money, but it's getting better on every earnings. Projections are all great. I absolutely love it. Do you know what? I should buy some more. Ryan Carlson has gone bronze. Everybody, Ryan Carlson has gone bronze. There we go. Ryan Carlson is now a bronze member of the channel. Ryan Carlson, would you please put your city and country in, please? And would all the members please put your cities and countries in as well and welcome him in. 606. I'm looking at my lowest price here. 606. 606. It looks like 606 is my lowest price for SoFi. $538. 3 months. Yeah. I'm going to buy some SoFi. I'm going to buy some SoFi, absolutely. Yeah. I've just bought some SoFi. May add SoFi as well. Absolutely. That is a very strong buy. Okay. I've set a new low. It's a good position now. A good position. Let's have a look. 537, 606, massive discount. 537, so $537. I'm going to wait for the doom and gloom speech. Yeah, see, I'm not. I'm not all about that. I think it's already reacted. It's already reacted down 6%. Is that an all-time low now? Yeah, I mean, that is incredibly low. Yeah. I don't care. Look, the way I look at it is this, Fusion. It's just the same. Like I said, if someone said to you, can you buy toothpaste for 75% discount, and someone whispered in your ear, if you hang around a minute, you might get it for 76% discount. Who cares? You got it for 75%. Who cares? The chances are it's going to go up. This is its trading bottom now. Maybe it'll go to, maybe it'll go to 483. Maybe it will. I mean, it's a stock that can, quadruple. Why would you care? Why would it matter? I mean, just pan out and look at it over the 5 years. Look at where it is. Or the 2 years, rather. It's only been around 2 years. Like you say, people taking profits. I see it's going up now. Look, yeah, that was good for me. It's a big enough. I mean, to be fair, it's so cheap now that this could be a $20 stock, and then I've got $8,000. It's more than I need. It would suddenly become a huge part of my portfolio. I don't need to spend any more money just to lower. I don't. I think I tell you what I'll do. I will set a limit buy. I'll just set another limit buy. I'll go, all right, I just bought it for what? What are we now? 537. I mean, it's ridiculous. Pick a number. Pick a number. 530, 520. All right, 520. Let's do a limit order. A limit order of 520. There we go. 520. And at that, I'll just buy 10 just to mark it. I'll have that to go good for the day. Good till cancelled. 520. If it goes to 520, it'll flag up 10 and I'll buy 10. What the heck, right? Review the order. 520. If that happens when the Jerome Powell speaks, it'll flag up. I bought 10 and I'll know to buy some more, right? I mean, that's crazy, isn't it? There you go. We'll leave it like that. Now we're coming back up again. So, did we get everybody? Welcome, Ryan Carlson, Happy Valley, Oregon. Would everybody please put that? We missed out on this. It's important. We got a new member today, Ryan Carlson. He's just become a member, brand new member to our channel. He's got his blue badge. It will turn green. It will then turn yellow, gold, and red. So, Ryan Carlson. As a bronze member, you can have a birthday celebration for you, your family, or anyone you love or care about the day before, the day after, or the day of. You will also get replies to all your comments, so you'll be featured in on the channel. If you ever... you can have a poll in the channel if you want a poll. We can review a stock if you want me to review a stock. If you ever upgrade to silver, you can be put on the homepage of my YouTube channel where my members go. And the purpose of that is to get you more subscribers, because I literally go and invite everyone live in the show to click on your show, your video and channel and so on. You can have that. You can now have access to Discord. I don't know if you're already on Discord, but if you are not, you might be on there, but I need to upgrade you to give you membership status. Right now, you are only a Discord member, not a YouTube member, which means you can't call in, you can't see all the channels, you can't chat to everybody, but you now can. So if you want to go, if you are on there's a Discord link in the chat. If you want to go and get on Discord. If you are already on there, tell me what your username is, and I'll upgrade you. If you're not, I'll once you get in there, I will upgrade you. All right. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. It's the memberships that keep all of the live shows going. So thank you for that. Thank you very much indeed for that. Right, SoFi. I've just set another buy And the buy this time is at where is it? 537. I've set a limit buy at 520. Just some silly number. Because I've got enough, but I'll buy it if it goes dramatically cheaper. All right, so we'll keep our eye on it. We've got other stocks that are on the verge of tripping in. Just bought 100 shares of SoFi. It's a very good price, it seems. Absolutely. Absolutely great. It's the future of banks. I believe it's the future of finance. And it's a leader. Absolute leader. Oh, here we go. Right. Now then. Ryan, is this you? I know it sounds silly. It looks like you, but someone could pretend to be you. Is this you on the screen? Is that you? If that is you, I will upgrade your account right now. There you go. RY, it is. So I'm going to give you a nick. It is you. Yes, yes, sir. All right. Ryan Carlson. Change nickname. It's Ryan Carlson, so I know who you are on the chat on the platform. Carlson, okay, Ryan Carlson. I will save that, and I'll also now give you membership status as well. Rolls, you are now a YouTube member. There you go. There you go. You can now see all the exclusive channels. You can now call in. The broadcast lounge will be viewable to you. Would everybody please, Ryan? You are on the you're on the welcome all. Would everyone go and make Ryan feel welcome? He's just become a member. He's supporting the channel. Would everyone go and give Ryan Carlson a thumbs up or something nice? All right. Oh, Ryan, can you just say something in the welcome all? Oh, you have. You said hi. An idiot, aren't I? There you go. Let me give him a thumbs up. If everybody else could go and do that, that'd be cool. Go and give Ryan Carlson a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get 100 thumbs up for Ryan. Welcome him in. There we go. Here come the likes. Look. There you go. Smash the likes. Make him feel welcome. Right. I'll keep my eye on that. The overall portfolio is starting to come up now. Excellent stuff. Looking good. Looking very, very good. All right, time for a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. And we are back. Thanks for all the follows. Do you know anything about PI? PI? What's PI? As in pi? 3.144376721476007 blah, blah, blah. That? Do you mean that by pi? Or do you mean the pretend Tesla pi phone that it doesn't even exist? YouTube has made it up. So what exactly is it you mean? I bought Guild in 2015, 116, been buying small dips for years. This thing has been red ever since, but pays a dividend. I'm finally in the green. Average share price of 75. That's a long wait for a profit. Well, sometimes things take a time, but that's okay. That's okay, innit? What are we investing for? We're growing. We're growing things. Things that take time are worth growing. That's what it's all about. Okay, we're getting ready for Jerome Powell's speech. It's a little way off yet, but we'll be there live. There we go. Ryan Carlson's got some likes and some love on Discord. Thank you much indeed. Better than taking a loss, though. Yeah, we're going through a period of time that is difficult for everyone. So this is the time to be accumulating. This isn't the time to be selling or celebrating. Well, it is, in fact, actually. It's 13%, Bill. It's a time to be preparing. It's like I always say, dig the ditches in the desert when everybody else says it's not going to rain. Get ready for when it does. What is that screen in the back playing? That's YouTube. This is the actual show. You're watching me on TikTok, the actual show where my traders are, where my investors are, where I give away the cash prizes. Remember, our home is YouTube. YouTube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor, the same name as it is on TikTok. It's the best place to be. It's where my serious traders are, where my serious investors are. And it's where I give away cash prizes every Friday, free to enter, free for all. I promote your TikTok, promote your YouTube channels. That's what you're watching here. And TikTok is my phone looking at that screen. So that's where you want to be. The link's in the profile, or just type youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. And when you come on in, say I'm from TikTok and I want to be in your free prize draw. And I'll say, all right then, easy. All right. It's what we do. We're here to help people. I love helping people, right? How much is Rio? 12.43, semi-annual. There you go. I've got some Rio Tinto somewhere along the line. Anyway. The S&P's coming up. The overall portfolio's coming up quickly. Virgin Galactic still down. Not worried. We've got the earnings around the corner. Virgin Orbit. I've set my order to buy at 268, but the ex-dividend date hasn't been announced yet, so it could change. Yes, it could. It changed last time, I believe. I think it was like 10% that he paid out. It wasn't what they advertised until the ex-dividend date, and then they confirmed it. Rivian, Lucid, Arrival, still up 11%. Amazon, I've got an order placed. Apple, I've got an Apple order placed. Robinhood, I've got an order placed as there as well. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. Love the content and how it's shown. Nick Bogey, thank you very much indeed. I'm glad you enjoy it. I try to, try my best. You've only seen a part of what I do. I'm actually the world piano man. Behind me is my TV studio. And for our members, and you'll notice we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube, even more than the biggest channel in the world, Mr. Beast. His average is 7% of his live viewers are members. Mine is 95% of my live viewers are members. Because we go live for the members 10 hours a day. We have exclusive content for my members. I will go back to the studio behind me and I will perform, sing happy birthday. They can, for $10 super chat. Only members can have that, by the way. Non-members can't tip me a super chat. The reason for that is people pay me $500 and more to make them a video, a music video, or even sing them happy birthday. I'm the world piano man. And you get that for $10 super chat as a member. You get that. I have 650 songs, 14 voices in 7 different languages. You get the birthday for free, but you get the songs with a $10 super chat during the live show. All of a sudden, we'll do some music for our members. So, and the whole studio comes to life, smoke comes down and everything. You can have that as a member. And there you go. But thank you very much for making that comment. I try my very best to give the best quality, the very best standards, always honest, always truthful. That's what this channel is about, and I appreciate you saying that. Thank you very much. We are a great family here to keep each other positive in a crazy world. Absolutely. Absolutely. We always laugh, we joke. Absolutely right. Now then, we're having some stocks drop. That's okay. My orders are all placed. Not interested in Ethereum until it halves in price. Not interested in any more Bitcoin until it goes down to 10 grand. My SV, It's just sitting there forever. If it goes to $1 million, it does. If it doesn't, Enphase Energy, great, keeps on growing all the time. I want to set a all-time low here as well. 301. I want to buy some more Enphase Energy over the week, over the month. I want to buy it when I started coming in, 301. Oh, blimey. It ain't never going down there. It'll do that on earnings. It might do that on an earnings crash or something like that, but otherwise that's just going to keep on going. Until the whole world's got solar, it'll just keep on going. Tilray Brands, looking good, holding it, not going anywhere. On, I'm more in the other semiconductor company. What is it? Could someone remind me? I've got a lot of shares of another semiconductor company. Can someone remind me which one it is? Tesco, down 1.59. Oh, we're getting a bit of a drop today on Tesco's again. I'm not buying any more. The payout is December the 2nd. I wouldn't buy it until it went to 6, down to 6. That'll be instantly fixed by Ukraine war ending, which it will eventually. Next, no, not Extra Energy. No Extra Energy. That's the solar one. No, it's the semiconductor company. I'll have a look on my list. Thanks for trying to think of it though. It is, if I scroll down, this is my entire portfolio. Up there, Photronics. There we go. Photronics. Yeah, that one. Yeah, there it is, Photronics. Yeah, there it is. 40,101 again. We're holding above the 40,000, which is kind of cool. The S&P is coming up strong. Virgin Galactic, 468. We'll try and buy some more tomorrow. My lowest position, let me set a 414. So I set a 4. Let's set a buy. Let's set a limit order. Let's set a limit order. A limit order of $4. You know, $4.01. Just because I want to be $4.02. There you go. Just to be a bit silly. Right. I won't buy 50. I won't buy 100. I'll buy 50. There you go. Whoops, 50. A 402. My last price was 414. There we go. In fact, not even that, because if it goes down there, it's going to go lower. I'm going to put it in as a marker share just to remind me. There we go. I'll buy it. I'll buy 10 at 402. There we go. Good till cancelled. Review the order. Just in case we get a crash because we've got the earnings coming up, and I'll pick it up. My fundamentals haven't changed. I still want the company. Virgin Orbit, I've set that. Tesla, I've set that. We have to be ready because if we suddenly get a drop, we want to be ready, and it'll be an instant thing, down and up. You know, you just want to be standing there with your basket, ready to catch it, don't we? Right, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll take a quick commercial break. I'll take a 2-minute restroom break, and we'll stick with you. It's a massive day today. We will then be back for Jerome Powell. We're going to have a break soon because Jerome Powell I'll be back at 12:30, which is in 2.5 hours from now. So we'll do another half an hour here, and then we'll have a break in between, and then we'll be back for that, okay? So let's have a quick restroom break now. See you back in 2 minutes from now. Okay, we're back. We'll leave you on that screen. I'll take a quick restroom break. And we'll be right back. What time, Eastern Standard Time, does FOMC release? We are going to be with the FOMC report at 12:30 Central Time, which is 1:30 Eastern Time. If you're with me, you will be here. We will be streaming it live. Jerome Powell will be speaking live on the show. There it is. It's the upcoming show. This is my playlist. I'm always live 10 hours a day, opening and closing bell. The shows are already listed here. This is the next show. You can't miss it. It will automatically take you there at the end of this show if you just stay where you are, or there is the link and I'll be live here. If you have rung the bell, and this is why you need to ring the bell, you'll be notified of when I go live for breaking news. Okay, it's very, very important, Nikki. Let me give you the the way you should subscribe to the channel. Very, very important, okay? Okay, here we go. Click subscribe. You can do this now and check. You can click the subscribe button and see the little bell. Make sure it's highlighted in all. If it's not in all, you won't be notified and you will miss breaking news as it happens. If a stock price drops, I will cover it. Click that, look, so you can turn it on and off to make sure you've done it. Have you done that? There you go. Now you know exactly how to do it. All right. You should make sure that you've done that. Of course, scheduled dentist appointment at 1:30. I've had people in here on chemotherapy. We've had people literally have family members pass away during our show and call in live and ask me to sing a song like Amazing Grace or stuff like that. We're here for everybody as it happens, live. We're here to support you in loss. We're here to support you and celebrate when you make money. That's what we do. All right. So take your phone into the dentist and tell the dentist you're watching Martyn Lucas, Investor, the World Piano Man, and tell him he's got to put you on the TV screen. So as you're doing your teeth, you're watching what's going on. Right. I want to go for a restroom break. I will see you back in a few moments' time. All these prices are triggered for buys, so I don't have to be concerned at all. They're all set right now. See you back in a couple of minutes' time. Would you like some piano music while I'm gone? Do you want to hear some music? Here we go. I'm only going to be 2 minutes. See you in 2 minutes. Quick restroom break. Still holding space, and I'm buying more and adding more all the time. See you back in 2 minutes. Okay, we're back with you. Thank you very much for staying with us. Getting ready. We're seeing some more drops coming in now. So let's have a look at what's falling right now. We've got our buy orders all in place. The S&P is holding up. We've not got any buy order there. That's not going to go low enough by a long chalk. So I'm not worried about that. Virgin Galactic, we've got a buy at $4. Should we get some kind of flash? I doubt it. Virgin Orbit, we're waiting to buy that if it flashes down. Tesla, same thing, 200. I doubt if it'll go there, but you never know. Rivian, there's no point looking at that. That'll never go down 23%. Lucid, it's going up. That's nice. Arrival, doesn't really matter how cheap it goes. I wouldn't buy any more. If it goes below $69, it's gone bust. So that's just a lottery ticket. That's all that is. Amazon. We got an order placed here. How close away is that? 89. It's got a way to go, but it's getting closer. Apple. That's not going yet. Robin Hood. We got an order set there. McDonald's. No, it won't ever go down there. Coca-Cola. Same thing. That won't go down. That won't go low enough. J&J. That won't go. Don't need to put any orders in there. They're all safe stocks. Google. It's the mangs that are being sold off, and the reason for that is their source of funds for people that bought 20 years ago, 10 years ago. Huge amounts of money they're using. So they're driving the stock down. Remember, the value of the stock is not the price. The stocks are going down because people are selling them. They're selling them because they have huge profits and they're buying other things. That's all. At some point, they'll buy back in, and it could happen today on this report. And it's basically what I think is going to happen. Anyway, Google. The order placed there is at 89. Well, so it's close. $89. It's my next buy. It's getting close, but it's not there yet. Microsoft, I've got an order at 225. It's close, but not there yet. Meta. There is an order placed at 92. 92, so it's a way off yet from that. SoFi, we've got some more placed here. We've lowered our average. We're 24% down. We're just 11% down now. 520. I just bought a few moments ago for 537. We're now at 532, which is great. But why? Go at 520. Just I don't believe in the charts, and everyone knows that. Charts have just told you what everybody did in the past, doesn't predict anything in the future. And I'm not greedy. I'm not trying to time the market. I don't care if it's 532 or 529 or 528. The value of this company is great. This is a great company. I want to own it. It's cheap now, so it doesn't matter. I don't know where it's going, neither does anybody else. And the charts certainly don't tell you that. They tell you where it went. They don't tell you where it's going. And I'd rather not even confuse myself with looking at it, because that's what everybody else is looking at. I want to look at my own plans, follow my own path. So I've got an order placed there. IonQ, I'm up on it. This is another stock. I don't need to buy any more of that. PayPal, I'm out of that stock right now. And close that for a minute. I don't want to buy PayPal. I don't want to buy Rolls-Royce either. Very scammy right now how it trades. Walmart, massive profit. I'm up 15%. It ain't going down there. Target, same thing. I'm up 9%. That ain't going anywhere. Tesco's, I don't want to buy anymore purely and simply because I've got over allocation. Charts do predict the future. I don't agree. Me and Ali Tisro disagree on this point, and that's fair enough. My chart analysis has made me and members of this channel money or prevent money loss. You are correct in that. you are correct in that. I have to agree with that. He has given tips to people, and they have made money on it. He's absolutely right. But it gives an indication of the support levels, resistance levels. I understand that. But you can't use the word predict the future. If it predicted the future, nobody would lose, everybody would win. Because it tells you what the future is. The word predict the future means it's going to tell you what's going to happen. Well, it can't do that. It suggests statistically, mathematically, what's more likely to happen at certain points on certain levels of support and resistance at certain prices due to past experience, because it tells you how people reacted last time. But that's very different than saying it predicts the future. If you want something that predicts the future, I have one thing that does, without a shadow of a doubt, predict the future more reliably than anything else. Would you like to see what it is? Of course you would. It's my crystal ball. This tells you everything, everything you need to know. Never 100%. I agree. You are 100% sometimes. You just make it seem like charts are a joke. You are 100% correct. No, I don't believe charts are a joke. There is a great science and study and intelligence and mathematical equations, and a lot of time is spent learning and understanding the science and fundamentals and arithmetic of charts. I do not think they are silly and stupid and a joke at all. I'm sorry if I give that impression. It's just not how I make investments. Probability and historical data, as this is Sick is bringing into the conversation, are for me relevant, but they're not why I invest in anything. So, full disclosure there. Anyway, that's my theory. Okay, so we're down 2.96 at the moment. All I'm doing is buying, if you like, the things that are falling down that I believe in. This 22 says it's about probability. Historical data can tell you the probability of future prices. Charts are a visual representation of that data. Absolutely, couldn't have put it better. Couldn't have put it better. Leading to recharting is very difficult, and what is more tricky is taking the right trade and managing SL and TP areas. You have to ride the winners and have a good SL in place for the losers. And there you go. That's it in more detail. Ali Tisro. I have to agree with all of that. However, it's not what this channel is about. It's not who I am. It's not what I do. There's millions of YouTubers who you can sit and they will look at screens and they will mumble away to themselves, and that's not what this channel is about. We have great chart readers. Ali Tisro, Muzanella. We have several really big. Muzanella is a huge trader, does $100,000 trades regularly. We have some very big traders, some very big chart readers, some professional investors here who watch this channel, and they share with you their knowledge and experience in Discord, in the live chat for all of you. So you bring all of that chart, technical, fundamental, entertainment, support all together, and that's what this channel ultimately is all about. Anyway, there you go. You can get 3 out of 10 trades wrong. However, if you have a good TP, take profit in place, you will end up positive. Yeah, always good to take profits. I'm total in agreement with that as well. Not what I do as you scroll through charts. LOL, I'm kidding. Not what I do as you scroll through charts. And this is all about presentation. 22. I have to. you know, I'm running a TV show, if you like, an on-screen visual experience, and people need to see something, don't they? I mean, this is the price action. This is what's going on. There's no other real way of showing it. Anyway, why are we going down in Virgin Galactic? Well, that's kind of obvious. What we have is the earnings report tomorrow, and people are dumping it, shorting it to buy it back. That's basically what's happening right now. There's no fundamental change. I get the information every day emailed to me of what's going on at Virgin Galactic. I know what the job situation is, the stock information is. There's nothing here that I'm aware of that's gone bad at all. It's selling off as it does because it does. Not really anything to really say about that at the moment. I am ready to buy more. As you know, I've got an order placed here at 402. It's just a number randomly picked out of the sky. I mean, at the end of the day, Ali would probably say to me, he could look at the chart and he will say to me, there is a resistance at, I'm just making something up now, 401. So that's a good support line. It'll bounce from there. The trouble is everybody else knows that. Everybody else will look at that and it'll hit 4 and bounce back up, theoretically, or it'll break and go lower. You know, no one knows. It doesn't really tell you, it doesn't really confirm anything. But what I'm trying to do is I don't have to buy more Virgin Galactic. I don't have to get the stock. I'm already in the stock. If it goes cheaper and I can buy something I believe in for less, why wouldn't I? I don't really care if it's 401, 4, 399, 388, because I'm buying it because I believe it will go to $100. So I don't really care whether it's, you know, it doesn't matter to me. The price is irrelevant. The fundamentals are the same. I'll just buy more and set a new low, that's all. It's a very straightforward way to invest in my book. Wow, we're getting close now. Amazon is dropping today. It's very expensive though. We all know Amazon's a great company, but it's a very expensive stock price. Same as Apple. Apple's great, but it's not cheap. It's not like Meta right now. If you want a value in discount stock, then that's Meta. It's getting close to a buy. SoFi, 520. Whoa. Getting close now for another, just a 10. Just 10. I'm slowing down now. I did 100 because I was able to nearly half my average. It was 24. It's now down to 12.9. So now I'll just buy 10 at 520 because it might go then another 10 at 515, another 10 at 5, and so on and so forth. So that's about to trigger. That could trigger at 520. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Meta purchased. I've just hit a new low on Meta. Just went through at a new low. Okay. 92.50. Now we'll buy one at 92. Done. It's gone. There we go. We need to set another one now. Buy Meta, a limit order. I might start now actually getting a little bit more greedy with it. We just went through at... We just went through at one share at 92.50. So I'm gonna go bigger now. I'm gonna go 91.50, a whole dollar cheaper, 91.50 now. So buy at 91.50 limit order. Well, now we're gonna really start ramping it up. 91.50 now. I'll buy one share at 91.50. So that went through at 92.50. It's already gone up. So Yeah, that went through at 92.50. It's already gone up since then, which is great. I'm now buy the next one at 90. I'm not even going to go 92 now. I'm going to go 91.50 because it's getting very large in my portfolio. So I'm going to really demand the very best prices. This is what I like this is why I feel comfortable trading like this. The stock market is doing what I want. I am paying the prices that I want to pay. I'm getting it cheaper and cheaper each time. I'm not chasing anything. The stock market is just giving me gifts over and over again. I am deciding that I want to pay less and I am getting it for less. That's it. It's like walking into a shop and saying, I want to buy these things for £10. Come back next week, I want to buy these things for £9. They go, bloody hell, mate, it's £10 last week. Inflation, things are going up. No, I want it £9. All right, okay, you can have a discount. I go back next week and go, I want to buy these things for £8. They go, hang on, you're taking the piss, you are. Every week you come back in here and you want it cheaper. Well, that's how I treat my stocks. Wall Street doesn't dictate to me what happens. I run it the way I want to run it. 91.50. So there we go. Review the order. Good till cancelled. Now I'm going 91.50. Now someone could turn around me and say, hang on a minute. It could go to $50. It could. Could also go back up to 200 or 400. It could. More likely going to go up to 200 before it goes to 50. I'm just saying, probability wise. Oh, but on a chart there's a point here when it will bounce. No. I would say now charts or anything like that has gone out the window. Because we've gone back now, 7, 8, 9 years? I mean, this is... No one cares what a chart did 9 years ago. Surely not, right? This is now because people don't like what Mark Zuckerberg is doing. Period. And he could change that in 5 seconds. It's actually, possibly, the best move he's ever made. Because, so what if the stock price goes down? So what? You can go right back up again. If you're selling at this point, yeah. But why would you be selling at this point? People who bought it 20 years ago are selling it. But I mean, at some point, it's going to get too low. Because anyone now who bought the stock back here isn't going to sell it, right? You're not going to sell it for a loss, are you? It's going to run out of sellers in a minute. And what happens then? You've only got buyers. So it's kind of obvious, isn't it? Anyway, that's what I think. Unless you think Facebook or Meta is going to go to zero, it's going to go bankrupt. I can't see that. Can anyone see that? I don't know. I think Church is absolutely right. Bleeding will continue for the rest of the day, I'm sure. I 100% agree with you. Not what I do. As you scroll through the charts. Oh, I'm just reading the old comment. Right. What we want to do now, because we are coming up to the end of the show. We are back here in 2 hours with Jerome Powell, live on the show. So before I finish, it says to me we have 24 watching. Would everybody who's watching live right now in the chat say I am here? I want to see exactly who's watching before I decide to end the stream. If anyone does a super chat. Oh, by the way, I want to thank Ali Tisro hugely because I want to mention this now. Ali Tisro, you and others, Mike did it as well, and several people did it actually. They gifted memberships, and we had a loyal membership base of 60, and then we shot up. We added some more, and then we had some gifted, and we got over 100. Just over 100, 104, 105, something like that. And now, of course, some of those people would actually let their memberships go because even though they got them for free, and Ali Tisro was trying to help people, and I trying to help the channel and those people, it was always inevitable we would lose some because some would go, I'd never pay for it, and that's up to them. But what I will tell you, despite the fact we had a month off and we lost members, we are still at 79. So 60 was our base. So we've gained 19. So thank you very much indeed. We lost a few, but the majority have stayed, and and now we're gaining back again because we're back. So thank you very much for gifting those memberships. The majority have held, and we're going back up again. And we gained a member today, so we're probably at 80 now. So it's good. And I expected to lose some. The fact I wasn't live for a whole month, and those people that were gifted memberships probably didn't see any reason to hold, right? But so anyway, thank you. I am here. I watch on my TV, so don't chat. Pablo is watching on his TV. I love it, so don't chat. So you got people that watch you, but that aren't members or chat. So thank you very much indeed, Pablo. Protect the NHS. I like that. If you're a YouTuber, you should be a member. Get many, many perks as a member. Let me give you the invitation to join. Access to Discord and exclusive content, exclusive videos, birthday celebrations, 20-minute fundraisers, loads of things. There you go. Go on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you are a YouTuber. If you go for silver. One-on-one coaching to build a YouTube channel. This goes on and on. Ryan's here. Very quiet you are, guys. I think everyone's taking a short break. They have me running in the background. Right, so we're going to wrap up the show. I've got all my orders in place for anything that drops significantly. It's expected to see this because everyone's selling off before Jerome Powell speaks. So I'm expecting this actually to rally. Let's have a little look. Do you like the new name? 60%. We'll end that now. 60 votes. Fantastic. 60 votes. Fantastic. Right. Let's end with this poll here now. After Jerome Powell. Will the stocks go up? All right. So is it going to be positive, up, or down? I think we've sold out quite a bit today. I think we're going to go up. After Jerome Powell, will the stocks go up or down? What do I think of Airbnb? I haven't got an opinion on Airbnb. It's not a stock that interests me. I think fundamentally it's a great business, a great company, a great idea. It just doesn't excite me. It's not something I would invest in. So I don't have an opinion. Maybe somebody else does. Dogecoin to the moon. There could be some Dogecoin excitement with Twitter and Elon Musk. You're absolutely right. But again, that is not something I invest in. Step through scooter doing fine. Where did this step through scooter come from? You're talking about Ford, right? I wish I knew why that step through scooter was the thing. Let me have a look. Let me look at Ford. I presume that's what you're talking about, right? I'm pretty sure it is. Just loading up that extra page for you, and I'll come back to it. All right. Okay, Ford. Let's load it up. Ford is a safe stock from Powell. Never got hurt by him and always recovers. There we go. Oh, pre-market. Hang on, that's done. Down to the pre-market. That looks a bit odd. That's an error. Why is it saying pre-market? Bit odd. Whoops. Sorry about the flash. Lots of smart investors. Oh, Microsoft gone. Microsoft just purchased Microsoft has hit a new low. There you go. Microsoft has just been purchased. Oh, Pablo, just become a member. Hey! Welcome a new member. Let me come back to you a second. 225. So now we're looking to buy a share at... how far down are we? 225. 220. I'm going to get more and more greedy on it. So let me just set a limit order, 220. A limit order of 220. 1. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow. 220. I'm going to go, we're going to go, because we're only 5% down on it, and it's getting large. It's 2.2% of my portfolio. Let's go for 220. We'll really start to step it up now. Limit order buy at 220. Right. Meta. There we go. Microsoft went through. Lots of smart investors in Ford. Glitch. Let's have a little look. Ford. There we go. Ford is doing all right. I'm still down 6%. That's Churchy's fault. But I'm holding it. I don't think I can ever sell it. I think it would break his heart if I sold my Ford. Anyway, down 6%. But we're rising. So, we've got a new guest here, everybody. Pablo. Pablo is a new member. He's just become bronze. So, would everybody please put your cities and countries, welcome Pablo in. Pablo, would you put your city and country in to let us know where you're all from? Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much. Pablo, thanks for being a member of our channel. Appreciate it very much indeed. You get many, many perks and benefits. Don't forget the birthday. I mean, the main thing is members are what provide the live stream. It's how I'm able to go live 10 hours a day for you, for the members. I could make lots of videos. That makes money for YouTubers. I don't do that. I'm bringing a community together. That's why I'm live. So I tried joining in September, but couldn't figure it out. But that link worked. Oh, there you go. I'm glad it worked. So now you remember, you can get many perks. First of all, you can have a poll in the show. I can review a stock for you. You can have a birthday for you or any member of your family that you love and care about. From Northumberland, I'm from Cornwall, UK, even though my studio is Dallas, Texas. So your birthday, the day of, the day before, or the day after. So always let me know when it's a birthday for you, and we'll celebrate that with a song. And you get to keep the video. As a member, you can now request a song for $10. People pay $500 for me to make pop videos. You can have it and own the video and keep it and share it forever. Download it for a $10 super chat. 650 songs, 14 voices and 7 different languages. You can have that during the show at any point. Anniversaries, birthdays, celebrate anything you want. Okay, also you can get access to Discord now, and I will follow you on all social media if you follow me. I will follow you. So what you do now is go over to Discord. If you want to be able to access everything 24/7, if you want to be able to talk to me, call into the show, see all our great investors and traders like Ali Tisro with all his charts and all the information that he can provide, great knowledge, you can have access to all of that. There is the Discord channel in the chat. If you are on Discord already, I can upgrade you. Tell me. I only do it live during a show. It's that way I make sure it's done properly and it's not taken advantage of by scammers. And there you go. It might take 10 minutes for you to get through because it's a secure server. That's just some of the perks and benefits. Plus I reply to all your questions, make videos on stuff you want me to make videos on. The list goes on and on and on. All right. Okay. Virgin Galactic is now coming up. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. All right, I think we're going to wrap it up. I think it's time to end this show. Let me close the broadcast lounge now. If anybody wants to call in, they can call in. But we're going to close it now for all YouTube members. Let me close the broadcast lounge. There we go. It's closed. That's done. We will be back very shortly. Short break for Jerome Powell. So join us for that. I told you on Friday we're giving away a star prize. You can choose anything you want from the shop, the most expensive item or the cheapest, up to you. All you've got to do to enter is watch this playlist here. If you click play all, you haven't got to sit through it. I recorded it. People were watching it every day through October while I was away on holiday. All you've got to do now, though, is if you want to, is click play all and let it run in the background. Run in the background. You can just let it run through. It helps the channel immensely, and you will be in the draw for Friday. You have to watch all the videos. There's 42 5-minute videos. Just click play all, let it run in the background. You haven't got to sit there and watch it. If you've already liked the videos, all you got to do is let it play, and you'll be in the draw. All right? Okay. Brilliant. Just accepted your Discord. Many thanks. It takes about 10 minutes to come through. I need to manually upgrade you, Pablo, and I will do that when we return for the next show. So I can do that for you. It doesn't do it automatically. I do it for you. That way I make sure that no one claims your perks and benefits. All right? Okay, now if you want to be in the cash prize draw, also you can have cash for subscribing to me on Twitch. That's completely free using Amazon Prime. Here is my Twitch account. Let me give it to you right now. And all the competitions and all the giveaways and all the great stuff are in the weekly newsletter. If you want the weekly newsletter, here is the link for that. It's the all links button as always. And don't forget, you have to confirm, verify your email, so it will send you an email. It will always go into your junk folder, always, and because it contains the word cash prize draw. Is the email you're looking for? It is the daytrader@martynlucas.com. Make sure that you search for that in your junk folder, verify the email, and every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you will receive your newsletter. And in that are all the cash giveaways. All right? Okay. It's time to wrap up the show. I'll see you back. If you stick with us right here till the end, it will take you directly to Jerome Powell's event. If you want to be the first person to click like and leave a comment for Jerome Powell, there is the video. There is the link. It will come up directly at the end of the show. But if you want to be the first person, there it is in the chat for you. I'm going to be the second person. You can go into the live chat. You can put a comment and all the rest of it. All right. Okay. On that note, it's time to end today's show and see you all back in a bit. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Very soon we'll be back for Jerome Powell live and then the closing bell. It's a very busy day. And also after hours tonight. Oh, look at that. 73% say up. Wonderful. Great. Okay. Final poll. Very, very quick then. Very, very quick. Start the poll. Are you joining me for after hours Hood earnings? Robinhood earnings. Are you able to join me for that? Yes or no? There you go. Whoops a daisy. Are you joining me for after hours Hood earnings? What a busy day today. Blimey. The overall portfolio is coming up with all my discounted stocks. Very good. I'll give you a minute to do that before we wrap up the show. Brilliant. Okay. I think we're all done for a minute. Okay. How many votes we got? Just very quickly. See who's joining me. 67%. All right. Okay. I'll end the show right now. I just need someone to say, roll the credits. A lot of people to thank today. Roll the credits. Someone give me the command to roll the credits, and I'll roll the credits, and we'll find out who took part in today's show. Ryan Carson was there. He was right on it. Love it. Did Shooby-Doo. Yip-bam-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. All right, here we go. Mr. Cossack is coming as well. Thanks for your support. Followers, Octaviano. New followers, King Tola. Members, Paul B, Ryan Carlson, Pablo. We didn't get anyone slay the bot. I don't know why that didn't come in. Let me have a quick look. It should all be there. Subscriptions, members, super donations, members, donors. Where's moderators? Enable custom roll credits on the page. Show members. So, are they taking away moderators? Show subscriptions, show members, show donations, show super chats. It looks like they've taken moderators away. Ah. And might like that bit. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for your the followers on Twitch. Hopefully you become subscribers as well. Octavio and King Tola, Paul B, Ryan Carlson, and Pablo. They are our new members here on the channel. Thank you very much indeed for supporting the channel. Really do appreciate it. That's it from me. I'll see you back very, very shortly. It's looking all right. We've dropped a little bit today, 3%. I'm not concerned about that. Are you concerned? You shouldn't be concerned, I don't think. We're bound to have a drop today. It was inevitable, really, that we would get a drop like that. But there we go. That's it from me. So I'll see you all back in a couple of hours, less than that actually, for Jerome Powell. Should be interesting, and I look forward to seeing you back for that. Be calm, relax, and we'll be back for more live action in a few minutes. Until then, there we go, Pablo. Make sure you subscribe using Amazon Prime. It's free, and you'll be in the draw, the cash draw. Take care of yourselves and each other.